is my chat? Why is everyone pinging at me?
It just says loading.
Hi guys. Can everybody see my screen? Can you see my screen?
No.
You can't see it?
It just says an error occurred.
Let me have a look.
Refreshing.
Hello. Well, I've got 35 people watching, man. I just don't know how to. I don't know what they're saying.
This. Just nothing.
What?
I've got it on there.
Can you see my screen?
No.
You can't see anything.
Nothing. No, it just says loading.
Settings.
An error occurred. Please try again later.
Let me double check this. I don't know if anyone see me. The people are watching me.
They're not on it. They can't see anything.
They can. I'm on it, look.
What?
That's us. That's literally us, mate.
Oh yeah, how come I'm not?
I don't know. I'll put this just here. I'm going to put the Jamie screen here. No. There. Right, can everyone hear me? Hello, I see Jamie inside of Mog. Can I see Jamie in red and black? Right, can everyone hear me? Can you hear us? That's the main thing. Can you hear us? Right, me and Mogwai have got the webcam on. Nuts in it. Welcome to we can see you.
Oh, here we go. Right, I'm on it.
Can you hear us? That's the main thing. We can see the screen. That's good.
Cool.
Can you hear us? Yes or no?
Oh yeah, the chat's going.
Yes, we can hear you. Right, okay. Thank
Real.
God for that. Right, we've had a panic attack for the past week. Right, let me grab some beers. Oh, where's the beers?
In the fridge.
Oh, I can see it. Oh, but we're delayed, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, everyone, we can hear us. Yes, I can hear you. Mogwai, I put your webcam, the microphone just here.
Yeah.
We are good. Okay, so we're rocking and rolling. You can see the screen behind us. We've got some beers. So, obviously there is a delay. I can't do anything about that. It's just YouTube for you. So I want to give you an update on what we're doing. We are having a 3 hour. Hold on, I'm looking at the webcam. The webcam's here. There we go. Webcam's here. We're having a 3 hour live stream. If you want to ask us any questions, we're going to be joined. Obviously, you're joined by me, Michael across the table, and Mark's going to be joining us probably in the last hour, because for him in Australia it's like 4 a.m. in the morning. So he's going to be joining us for the last hour. If you've got any questions, just put it out there and we will be We'll be answering any questions. We're going to be having a live stream just to give you an update on our current profits for today. So I'm going to walk over to the camera, which is over there, which you can see me. So everybody in the Telegram group, Michael, Mogwai and me, we've set up a, well, obviously live, but it is a prop firm challenge. I'll just show you here. So these are my, obviously that is a live account. We are currently up a lot of gold trades, 75 quid. As you can see here, if I just show you my other live account, I am currently up, give me a sec here. So, account balance 54 grand. I am up 4 grand today, a lot of gold trades. So basically what we're going to do in today's video is we are going to go over
20k.
Yeah, I can see that.
Sweet. No trades taken. Let's see how
I'm already 5 steps ahead of you. I've already took the trades.
Hey, it's not a rat. It's not. What do you call it?
It is.
It's a marathon, not a sprint.
It is. Everybody is. Right, so let's just, basically what we're going to do is we're just going to have a trading session. Oh, I've lost my chart, so I can draw. If you've got any questions you want to ask us away. We're here for 3 hours. What's the Telegram group saying? They can see it, can't
Yeah,
they?
they're all good. Apart from Emma, as usual. So
I think Brian's there.
there's a fair old delay on this, isn't there?
Why, how big's the delay?
Oh no, it's my feed.
Okay, you can all hear us. That's good. Good day for London Open. Blue alerts. Are you trading Euro USD? Yeah. So just give you an update on London Open. Obviously, blue alerts seems to be the main topic of the main topic of the BD. As you can see on my charts, if I just bring, I'm going to move this over here. I'm going to put this here so you can see. So on my screen, you can see I currently took a trade literally probably 20 minutes ago on Euro USD. Just to show you Euro USD, actually, you can actually see Euro USD sales. There's my Euro USD sales on there. I've also can put Mogwai's screen, so Mogwai can't see, but I can put his screen on. So you lot and me can see Mogwai, so that's Mogwai's screen. So Mogwai's currently looking at buys on, is that gold?
GU.
I can't see GU. Oh, I've got to turn mine off. Okay. I'm going to move you up there. So Mogwai's screen is there. And this is me and my screen just there. So if, like I said, you've got any questions, ask away. Hello everyone. Michael, how long have you been trading? Somebody asks.
That was originally binary destroyer, wasn't it? 9 years.
Yeah, it's funny.
9 years.
I actually looked at when you first sent me an email the other day because
Yeah.
Mark asked me.
That was 2017, right?
Yeah, Mark was 2017. You were 2017.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's binary, but Forex, probably John got me into that, what, 2019?
What, John Joanna?
Yep. The legend.
Yeah.
So yeah, 9 years on and off with Forex and binary.
Okay, we're going to get a setup actually on USD CAD. 15 seconds. Yeah, we're pretty much about the same time, really, isn't it? Really.
Yeah.
I got into trading. When did I set up the BD? 2017, but before that I was.
I think it was 16.
16, but I probably got into trading 2014, maybe 2015. I had about a year going around buying signals, everything, literally. I mean, you probably would have known signals, copy trading, PAM accounts, robots, the lot. And then I got involved with some guy. Let me read some of your comments. Jamie, how do I start? I asked in Telegram group already. Who's the guy in the Judas group on Telegram that altered the Mogwai indicator? Are you working with them? No. So the guy in the Telegram group that's in the Judas group, no. What you'll tend to find, right, is that a lot of people join the binary destroyer, become successful, and then they will kind of like do their own thing. So like there'll be people, we have a lot of people that are profitable traders, right? But don't necessarily, they'll trade like the Mogwai reversal, but they'll add their twist in. So they'll trade it with fair value gaps, or they'll trade it with higher time frame confirmations. And there's a guy in the Telegram group that's obviously trades Mogwai reversal, but he's added his own little touch to it. And you'll find that a lot with successful traders, where they'll add their own touch. Like you'll realise today, me and Mogwai, even though we trade the same strategy, we're literally next to one another, we'll take different setups, right? It's just part of, it's just more of a psychology thing, right? When it comes to your own money, you need to be confident in when you're taking a trade or not. And, it is what it is. Some people join the binary destroyer, they become successful, and they add their own little twist, like look at the higher time frames, or fair value gaps, or they'll add different indicators in, which is kind of normal, really. Mogwai. Hold on, someone says who's can I use stochastics 53 and instead of binary destroyer MACD? No. So you can't use the stochastics instead of the binary destroyer MACD. The only reason why I say that is because the MACD is programmed for the Mogwai reversal strategy, right? It adds MACD arrows, etc. Okay, so yes, there are people that kind of try and replicate it, but it's very difficult to, I would just say there's no point. You might as well just use the MACD. Okay, the MACD that we use, I mean, the reason why you're watching these videos now and the reason why you're watching me is because the success we have. So why change it, right? We get it all the time where people are like, why does the Mogwai reversal strategy work on TradingView? Why can't you use it on MT4? And it's like, listen, it's proven to work on TradingView. Why do you want to change to MT4? It doesn't make sense. So I always say stick to what works. Someone I know, Carrots said, or Carrie said, Mog, do you ever do boilers now, or are you trading full time?
Yeah, I told him I did Charlie. Charlie's training. Yeah, he's he fitted his first boiler the other day and he loved it. So I don't know how long that's going to last, but yeah, still dabble. Show me, what's the most memorable experience that you
everybody's in
profit have paid for what?
So everyone's always asking questions because I gave everybody a challenge where they said if they ask me a unique question, they get funded. Jamie brother, how do you get over the psychology battle of understanding the losses? Will it happen? I'm speaking specifically for trading on the 1 minute time frame. How do I deal with losses? Listen, in trading, it's a very difficult, right? Because we all suffer from psychology, right? It's human nature. How do I deal with losses? It's part of the process, right? I've kind of come to the realization where as traders, we have to accept, as traders, right, we have to accept winners, right? When I'm sitting there thinking, wow, I've made loads of money, at the same time, I have to accept that not every day is going to be a winning day, and I have to accept the losing days. One of my biggest hurdles in trading is cutting losses early, right? Because we all do it, right? Where we do not want to accept that we messed up in this trade and we have to take a loss. We always want to move our stop loss or take a second trade or try and hold it, sort of thing. And I realized actually there was a trade today on the new funded account where I was like, you know what, I messed up here, and I took the loss, right? And it's easier to take the loss and move on from it than it is to be in the trade for another 20 minutes
losing more,
trying to losing more and trying to hold on to it. And it's difficult because in trading we all want to walk away in profits every single day, but it takes a lot to kind of accept that we got it wrong on a trade. I'm training my son in. Oh, here we go. Jamie, if your trading style were a living organ, oh wow, what a question this guy. This guy's got a. I think this guy's on to a winner. I'm going to write your name down on my little notebook. You see, I've got a little notebook here. I'm taking notes. I'm going to write down your name. What a question this guy's asked. Right. He's using all organisms here. ARAJ 7558. Jamie, if your trading style was a living organism, what part of it would involve naturally with the markets, and what part would go extinct if you didn't?
It would be your brain.
Yeah, it's a difficult one. My brain would go extinct 100% because when I trade, I try not to overthink things 100%. I spend more time trying to convince people not to overthink their trading. Like literally, think about this, right? I passed phase 1, phase 2, now funded. I'll actually I'll log in and show you my funded account. I'm up like 20% in 2 days, all from taking blue alerts. Like that's literally just taking blue alerts, right? It's not using brain cells. So my brain would go extinct, and my heart, what Mogwai said, would be my living organism, because obviously I think if you're going to go into trading, you've got to have a passion for it, because if you don't have a passion for it, it's like a roller coaster of emotions. Right.
Someone said they can't see my screen.
Jamie, yeah, they can't see your screen because I've got my screen on.
Oh, okay, cool.
Here's a question in order to use this trading view indicator, do I need to pay for Trading View Essentials? No, you don't. It works on the free version of Trading View. Here's a question for funding. What's a trade? You know what, Mogwai? Mogwai, you answer some questions.
Yeah, go on.
And I'm going to look for some trades, because you lot want to come here for trades, so let's have a trading session. In fact, let me see if I can zoom in on the mic over here.
Stop. Oh. Explain the Mugwire reversal. Yeah, it's just a trend trading strategy, push continuation.
Right, well, I'm going to let me put your screen on.
Yeah, go on.
I'll put your screen on. Mogwai is going to explain, and I'm going to look for some setups. I'm going to take some trades, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh my bloody god. I've got a buy on gold, mate. I've got a buy on gold. I'm going to have to take a buy on gold. I'm going to have to take a buy on gold, mate.
Good luck. Oh yeah, it's blue.
It's blue, mate. I'm going to have to take a buy on gold.
I'll take a sell then.
Let me just double check.
Is my screen on the go?
Your screen's on the gold, mate. It's not on the screen. It's on...
No, I'm on YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you pretty much, you can't trade consolidation zones. You just trade when it starts trending, and then you get signals when to buy and sell. Like now I'm waiting for this GU to pull back into this zone, give me a buy signal and then continue. I think EU's the same. Yeah. It's broken out of that zone on the left, and then just waiting now for a buy. Jamie's taking this one.
I'm taking a buy on gold. A buy on gold. And by the way, I have to take the buy on gold because all this week I'm testing the blue alerts on gold, right? So I'm going for 1 to 2 on every trade. So regardless if I like the trade or not, I have to take the trade just to kind of see how well it performs during the week. You can see, let me just, mate, I need to double check something. Yeah, we are good for a buy, mate. We're good for a buy.
So I wonder if they can see, if I move this to this screen, you would see...
My screen?
No, I'm just testing something out. If they can see now my trades I take, or just the original.
Okay, well I'm in a day. No, I'm gonna have a really wide stop loss on that one. Hold on. 1300, so it's gonna be about there. We're gonna watch that, what happens, see what happens.
So you mean that?
I'm in gold.
I really hope.
I'm also going to get a setup actually on Euro USD, mate. Euro USD is going to really pop a signal here. This is better.
Use the emphasis of second pullback. Depends. If you're trading normal Mogwai R, the second pullback is your rule of thumb to take buys and sells. If you're doing blues, it's pretty much, I think you're just doing every blue in on gold.
Yeah, so basically just to oh, hold on, I've lost my webcam. Hold on, where's my webcam on? Oh no, they need to be at the top. Hold on, there we go, and then the room. Hold on, right. So yeah, we're back here. So let me just put my screen on. So basically, Jamie's screen, Mogwai screen, done.
Yeah.
Okay, right. So basically, all this week, all we are doing is testing the blue alert. So as you will probably know, okay, I got funded first time with the blue alerts. I got funded second time with the blue alerts, and now I'm funded. Okay, and I want everybody to listen to what I'm saying here. Okay, where's the webcam? Webcam's here. Listen to what I'm saying, right? I am just taking blue alerts at London Open. It literally, I turn up every single day on Euro USD. I take the first blue alert. 20 pip take profit, 10 pip stop loss, 1 to 2. Okay, the consistency is not the strategy. The consistency is me. I turn up every single day, day in, day out. I do the same thing every single day at London Open. And I passed phase 1 first time. I passed phase 2 first time. And I'm now funded, and I'm now up 20% on the account. I'll make a withdrawal and I'll scale up because I do the same thing every single day. The hard work is in here, not on the charts. Okay, if you are not consistent at trading, it is not the strategy. It's because you are not consistent in the trades you take. Some trades are gonna, I don't know, right? I don't know you personally. I don't know what mistakes you make. Okay, but the people that join us, the mistakes they make is they don't, like, I take, like, look at the charts in front of me right now, right? You see that setup? Look, first pullback, structure, see the structure? Second pullback there, okay? I'll take the trade. I turn up every day. I take the same setups every single day. That's consistency. The setups with any strategy are always going to be there, right? Any strategy is going to produce winners. It's going to produce losses. It's whether you can turn up every single day and consistently take the winners. Now, the process of taking a trade, you can make it as complicated as you want, or you can make it as simple as you want. I've proved it with London Open, with just taking blue alerts. It can be as simple as you want it to be. As long as you turn up and do the same thing every single day, that's all that matters, right? It's a psychology game. So all this week, what I'm doing is testing the blue alerts on gold and Euro USD and GP USD. Okay, you've seen my results earlier. I'm currently in, hopefully this is up. Oh mate, I am in profit on Euro, on let me just check my trading account. Oh my god, I'm up 450 quid. Look, look, 600 quid, 700 quid, 800 quid.
For what?
On bloody that gold.
Shut up, show me. What lots of, oh, is that your personal?
That's my personal one.
Oh, that makes
my
sense.
prop firm though, if I look at my prop firm's up £4.50.
You know, it's a 1v1 on that and not the other one.
Yeah, but there you go, right? There you go. So, there you go. Let me answer. You used to emphasize second pullbacks. Is that still? Yeah. So obviously, Mogwai versus second pullback, right? We're just basically all this week is that what I found with the Mogwai reversal alerts, right? Blue alerts, reversal Mogwai, whatever you want to call them, right? Is I used to get a lot of members that reach out to me and says, Jamie, these are consistent. Like, I just like Michael, right? If you ask Michael how he trades, he gets a signal to his phone and he just takes the trade if it's a blue alert on GU sort of thing, right?
GU, yeah.
And that's it, right? So it's like, it can be done. And all this week, look, see, you can see my charts. It's literally, gold is flying up, mate. Flying up. Ish. I'm up. My personal account's up my funded account's up £9 when it loads.
So basically every 100 your private account, you're up £1.
Yeah.
On that one.
Yeah. Yeah, £1,300. See? And then what I'll do is I'm going to take partials here. I'm going to take partials at 2 lots, done. So as you can see here, I'm now £400 and my, there you go there, £5 for the day. I won't take partials on my, I won't take partials on the funded account. In fact, let me just have a look here because we are flying up. I'm going to move my stop loss up. Here. You see the difference, how trading psychology, how Michael didn't take the same trade.
Yeah, it's not my bag.
It's not his bag. So I'm going to my funded account, which I started today, is up £11, right? So what I might do is I'm going to take partials because it's just hit a 1-to-1. Well, I say take partials. I'm in this trade at 0.02. Okay, so I took partials, right? I'm now, since I started this funded account 2 hours ago, I'm up £80. Look, £80. Okay, and the account balance is £5. There you go. See, what higher time frame is gold? So 1 minute time frame, 1 minute time frame, no, 15-second time frame, 1 minute higher time frame confirmation. Mate, look at gold right now. Mate, gold's flying up. See? I'm literally what? I just took a blue alert for you. Mate, that is rocketing, man. What a trade. What a trade. First trade in the bag. That's what you need on a live stream. Now it's up to Mogwai to set. What do you mean you're up one?
I'm going in now.
Hold on, let me just close this off. TP's hit. I'm out. Done. So my account balance is now up £92 on my prop firm challenge, as you can see there. Done. Let me just log into my other account, and that is now, so for today, so far on my live account, it is £5. Done, as you see there. Boom, look at that. Beautiful. There you go. Look, 1 to 2. Done. That's it. There you go. The pressure has been relieved. We're happy. Okay? It's now we're now trading with profits. Let me just answer some of your questions. Let me just put Mogwai's screen on because I'm curious on what he's looking at. He's looking at gold. What's that? Oh, hold on. Let me turn mine off. Hold on, Jamie's screen, Mogwai's screen, there you go there. You've entered, what's that? USD Japanese yen.
Let's put you.
Well, let me read you some of your questions. By the way, I'll leave Mogwai on. Jamie, how do you manage trades when you have a very small account? Manage trades when you're in drawdown. Okay, so the trick to managing trades, right? Top tip. You want to learn to manage trades, it's like this. When you take a trade, it's purely psychology, right? You're either going to hold the trade because you want more, or you're going to panic and get out early. So you want to ask yourself before you take a trade, what do you want from that trade? Like money wise, what do you want to achieve? So whether that's £100 account or 100 grand, what do you want to achieve from that account or from that trade? And how are you going to achieve that? So like your take profit, okay? So as you'll know, I'll take a 1 to 2 out of my trades, right? And as you just seen on gold, I took my partials, okay? So I have a level. Once I hit that level, I take out of that trade that I'm comfortable taking. The reason being is because I'm happy. I've done the hard work then. Once I've took the money that I want out of the trade, I can step back and say, you know what, I've done the hard work, I picked a winning trade, I made money, and we move on. And then that will give you the confidence to hold the trade, like push the trade for more. If you don't do that, what ends up happening is you end up being in a trade that you're not comfortable in. And then you end up just making the most stupid decisions. Like, I mean, I'm on Mogwai's screen. I can see Mogwai's screen and you can see Mogwai's screen. And his price is dropping. I can see it. So yeah, but like I said, when you take a trade, it's about knowing what you want to get out of that trade. Because if you don't know what you want to get out of that trade, you're going to panic and you'll make the most stupid decisions. And stupid decisions equal inconsistency, right? Because why? You're driven by emotion, right? Yeah, I love this question. Wow. Hey, I'm going to write you down as well. HYDE999100. What a question. There's 2 people here that have asked me good questions. If you and Michael had the chance to advise yourself 8 years ago when you both started trading, what advice would you give yourself?
Quit. I'm joking.
Well, you and me had this conversation the other day, and you said I would not wish anybody the journey of trading or something like that, wouldn't it?
Yeah, the psychology.
The psychology. And that's for me, I'll let Michael speak in a minute, but for me, mine would be, I would say follow what we all know, right? Who watches this right now, we all know where the path is to success, and that is hard work, chart time, and putting the effort in. There is no compromising. We all know that. And if I could say that to myself 4 or 5 years ago, because 4 or 5 years ago you think, oh, you know, that guy on YouTube, or, you know, this strategy or that indicator is going to save me. It doesn't, right? It doesn't, right? When you put the hard work in, you know that's the real answer. And that's my best bit of advice I can give myself, is that you know the real answer. You just refusing to admit it, that you need to just focus on one strategy and be successful.
Yeah, I think YouTube. Stop watching YouTube.
Yeah.
Constantly hunting for the next best thing. When this got created, I don't think anything else I've looked at since. It's just not an option.
Yeah. No, I agree, mate, 100%. I agree 1,000% with that. I think the more you spend learning, well, the more you spend on a strategy, the better you come. Like, literally, that is it. I mean, you have to remember, I didn't create the Mogwai Versal strategy. Michael created it. So, you know, I'm literally I learned it like everybody else is going to learn it. You know what I mean? When people sit there and they say, oh, Jamie, you know, but you created your strategy, you're going to be good at it. I didn't create it, right? Michael created it across the table of me, right? I learnt it from him, and I realized, for me, things like second pullbacks were more profitable. I realized by, you know, taking partials was better for me. You know, it's the little things that go a huge way in trading, right? Like a prime example today, I've took a gold trade, made money. Michael didn't want to take it, or Mogwai. Mogwai's took what, USD JPY?
Yeah.
I haven't took it, right? It's not why such and such. It's just more psychology, right? It's your money at the end of the day. You want to take a trade that you're confident taking. Mogwai's trade is actually very good. I feel like I should enter that.
No, get your own trade.
No. You can. What are you looking at there? Oh yeah.
Yours.
Okay, so I'm going to enter. In fact, I'm going to enter Euro USD. I'm going to enter Euro USD actually. You can see my screen above me. Yeah.
I like that one.
I like Euro USD actually. I like
resistance level, but it seems to be pushing.
Yeah, I'm going to enter that. What enter that? I'm going to enter Euro USD. So second trade is Euro USD. 0.05.
You taking notes?
Who?
In your trades?
No, I'm not. I'm writing down notes on who's going to win a free prop firm challenge. Okay, so I'm also in Euro USD. As you can see, first pullback, second pullback, and you're in USD JPY, yeah?
Yep.
Stop loss on this one, I'm going to put at 6 pips. And TP, I'll put at 12 pips. But like I said, as usual, let me just move this down here. Maybe you're there. As usual, what I'll do with the trade is I will take partials. I ask myself, what do I want out of the trade? I'd like a 1R, and that is it. Let me just read some of your questions. What is the most profitable trading pair? Okay, that is a very subjective question.
GU.
Yeah, yours is GU and mine's gold. Okay, fact, right? I don't know why. I like trading gold. It's just, I feel comfortable with it, and trading is about being comfortable. If you don't like a pair, you're better off just dropping it, because you're just going to panic every time you're in a trade. I'm very comfortable in gold.
You got to read that last question.
What time does Ryan arrive?
No, if the market was a person, how would you just describe your relationship status? Divorced.
Right, that's got to be the question of the day so far. Who's asked that?
King Grizzy.
Where's that?
Gritzy. Third one up. Fourth one up.
Oh, I can't see it. Right, hold on there. What? Oh, where is it? Kingy. Right, read it out to me.
Yeah.
Oh, King Zizzy. Yeah. Mate, that is a question. And so far, you're a winner for that, because you made us both smile. If the market was a person, how would you describe your relationship status? Complicated. Yeah, literally. It reminds me of my wife, mate, Ruth. Like, you don't know what's going to happen when you wake up. Am I in the bad books? Am I in the good books? Some days you wake up and you're like, why is everything winning? And then some days you're like, why is everything losing? Anyway, let's just show you. I'll give you an update, because Euro USD is flying up. So my prop firm account is currently up £1. £1. My live account is currently up £61. So there you go there. Would you consider psychology to be the most? Yes, absolutely 1000%. I'll give you some advice, and I never really tell people this much. I spend every single week, and I mean every single week, on private webinars with members, and for me it feels more like I am, I don't know, a psychologist, right? A lot of people reach out to me and they tell me the difficulties they have in life, and it's normal, right? Everyone does. Everyone, we're human. We go through our battles, we go through our emotions in trading. That's normal. And I spend a lot of time just listening to people, just spending time listening to people, how they trade, their thought process, why they take that trade, why did they get out of that trade early, why did they put their stop loss there, everything, right? And it is purely psychology, right? I mean, I've just took, like I said, and I've said it earlier, I just took blue alerts. You've seen me take 2 trades a day, right? A gold, which was literally because it was blue, I made money. And now I'm in Euro USD, which, as you can see on my charts, is flying up, okay? And that's it. I'm having a chinwag review, drinking some beer with my mates, and I'm making a lot of money just talking to you lot. And it's psychology. I'm in my zone, I'm confident, I know what I'm looking at, and it's because I've spent the time trading the same thing. I'm just going to take partials here, by the way, because we've just hit a 1-to-1, so I'm going to take partials out of this trade like I normally do. So my live account is up 121 quid, so I'm going to close off 2 lots. Done. I've now banked that. I've got £40 left still open. I'm going to, on my live account, a funded account, I'm up £2.60.
That's good.
Okay, I'm going to leave my funded account open. It's not even worth closing. It's not even worth taking partials out of that. I'm just going to move my stop loss to break even, and that is it. Done. Okay, my stop loss. In fact, actually, I will take partials out of that. 0.03. And by the way, for everybody asking me, so I bought a funded account literally like an hour ago. And I bought a boot camp funded account. It cost like £70. And it was a 25 grand funded challenge. Now, if you pass phase 1, you then go to phase 2, which is a 50 grand challenge. Excuse me. Once you pass phase 2, you move on to phase 3, which is a 75 grand. And then you move on to phase, and once you pass phase 3, you get 100 grand. So I thought for £70, right, I'm going to get 100 grand prop firm account. So I bought it. And then all the members told me that the leverage is a 1 to 50, which is terrible. Really bad. Really bad. So I can.
10 in that. It's 1 to 10.
1 to 10. So it's 1 to 10. So the biggest trade I can go into is 0.10 lots on a 25 grand. So this is why you're looking at and go, oh, but Jamie, you've only made £2. I can't go into the account. I can't go into these trades any bigger. Look, I've made in 2 hours £100 on 25 grand, and that's with the most stupidest lot I can use. I mean, 0.10 is the biggest lot I can use. But yeah, so yeah, like I said, it is what it is. Don't drink too much. You'll start seeing blue alerts when they're we have a rolling joke in our group which is called we identify as a blue alert. So when we see yeah, you did that. So when we see this green alert, we say, well, we identified as a blue alert, and we take the trade. But yeah,
because I took an alert that I thought was blue and then realised it wasn't. They're the best ones.
Did you get into Euro USD late? What Euro USD? I don't remember any. Oh yeah. I did enter Euro USD late. I did enter Euro USD. That's why I just sort of like I just enter trades.
Random.
Not random. There is logic.
I can't believe gold.
Why? What sort of gold?
No, that buy is phenomenal.
Why is it still flying up?
Yeah.
Oh mate, what a trade! That's what I'm saying. I'm telling you right now, these blue alerts, mate, on gold, on the 1 minute time frame.
Are they 1 minute? 1 hour, you mean?
No, 1 minute. 15 second and 1 minute time frame.
Oh.
That honestly, mate, I'm telling you right now, all this week, all I've done is that. As long as you go for a 1 to 2, that's the key. A 1 to 2.
What, to keep the losses?
Yeah, to keep the losses short. If you go for a 1 to 2, you'll be super happy. I've got another question. Wow, I've got a lot of questions. Carrots asked me a question. What are your overall personal character traits that help and hinder your learning and trading? Carrot, I'm going to put you down as well. That's a good question.
I'll say my downside is my eager to gamble. That ferry that I've had to put in a box.
Yeah.
Quite gambling. I like.
It's funny because Mark says the same as well.
It's terrible. Yeah. So hard to box. It took me years. I must have blew up 20 accounts before I finally learned to stop doing that.
Yeah.
Don't chase trades. Don't. Oh, it's just awful.
Yeah. That's I would say for me as well, is I don't know where the boundaries are in trading. So I don't know where the limit is. Right. So like, if I see somebody doing, I don't know, right, this is just me, right, and some people won't understand it, some people might. When I trade, I want to be the best trader I can be personally, right? So I won't accept I accept perfection from me. If I'm going to sit on the charts, right, I want to be the best I can be at that moment. And for me, I have no boundaries of that. So I'll like here, right? I've took gold, I'll just take the trade. Even if I entered late, like Euro USD, I entered late, I'll just take the trade. Okay? And I understand I've entered late, and I know, like here, what's Euro USD saying? Oh, USD is still flying up. Nice. Euro USD is going to TP, mate. And that is it. Like I said, right? That's my weakness, is I don't know where the limits are. I'll just keep pushing and pushing. Jordan has asked me a really good question. I could sit here asking questions all day. Can you ask Mogwai some questions, please? Because, like, I swear to God, I'm gonna.
You're doing so well. Keep going.
No.
Sit here and make money on everything.
Hold on. Jamie, when you were learning Mog R for that 6 months, did you backtest help? No. Okay, so good question. Oh wow, USD is flying up. Oh, come on, get up there. No. So I'm not really for backtesting, right? I'm more against it. And the reason why I say that is because backtesting doesn't necessarily give you a true replication, a true result of your trading.
Or your emotions.
Okay, so to give you an example, and I've proved this point many times, right? With private webinars. So if you were to trade for the entire week, right? For the entire week, okay, and you took your trades and you didn't think anything of it, and you made let's call it break even, right? If you recorded that trading session, you sent me it, and then in 3 months time I gave you that trading session again for the entire week, and I said, okay, you got the week again, I want you to back test that entire week. I guarantee you wouldn't take the same trades as you did if they were live. And that's purely because of psychology, right? It's a different day, it's a different time, it's a different emotion, and you're just going to be different, right? I've done it myself, right? I have took trades and made loads of money. I back tested it the week, so I back tested that week like 2 weeks later, and I took different trades, and it was fascinating because I was like, I took this trade live, but looking back now, I wouldn't take it. And I think, you know, that's such like why did I take that trade in the moment? And it's weird, right? It's like, you know, when you take trades in backtesting, if it happened live, you wouldn't take it. So I always say that trading live, even though it's longer, it will take longer, you will get a better result of how you perform. And that's fact, that's black and white, right? If you start Monday and you finish Friday and you make money, you did good. You traded live and you made money. If you back tested that week and you made money, is that really that good? Right? Because it's back testing, it's demo. We know that, I know that, it's psychology, right? Try doing it live, it's a different story. So I always say that trading live is better. I mean, look at my Euro USD. I'm still in Euro USD and I'm chin wagging with you lot here, right? I don't know if you lot are in it as well. So currently I'm up. Well, that's my funded account, which is, you might as well write that off. If I can get to 100 quid by the end of today, that would be nice.
Just overtook you.
Oh, USDJPY.
Yeah, dropping.
And my live account is up 74 quid. Done. Let me just put Mogwai's screen on, because Mogwai has been okay. Mogwai is dropping down in money. Wow, what a question. In order to get the 100k funded, you'll have to pay another 200 quid after phase through. Do I?
No.
You sure?
You get a refund.
In order to get the 100k funded, you have to pay another £200. Well, if I have to pay
not on the things.
What, on fivers?
Yeah, you just go through the...
Well, that's what I thought.
That's what I'm doing.
Well, if I pay £100 or 200 quid, it's not the end of the world, is it? I guess if it's guaranteed funded.
Yeah, because you've already done the work.
Yeah, that's it. And there's no... hang on, I've just hit TP. Bloody hell, I've just hit TP, man. Look. I've just hit TP.
On what?
I'm out. Euro USD, mate. I'm smashing it today. Oh, mate, what a trade. What a trade. I'm chin wagging with you lot. Right, hold on there. I've got to close my funded account. Oh, mate, £2 I'm up. So I've now, oh mate, I need to hit, I'm 96 quid. Anyway, hope you all took that. Yes, that is true. Yes, I'm in. Good, Indy. Indy's here. What do you think? Let me just answer one of your questions because I'm reading the week. With Mark Borden using Mogwai on Renko, is this something which interests yourself in Mogwai? Okay, good question, Brian. So yeah, so currently, let me just put Mogwai's screen on so you can see. There you go there, right? So yes, I am currently bringing the Mogwai reversal strategy on Renko on CTrader. The only reason why I don't particularly trade Renko, what the hell TP is that? 1 to 2?
Yeah.
That's a nice trade, huh?
Thank you.
The only reason why it's dark over here, just put a light over there.
What's that?
Oh, the camera's there, but it's alright. The only reason why I don't trade Renko is simply because it's very difficult to like look at price action. So like when you're seeing candlesticks, for me, I feel more comfortable looking at candlesticks and some Renko blocks. Again, it's psychology. How do I deal with FOMO? I'm not the best person to ask that because I'll just enter a trade.
Walk away.
My only bit of advice with FOMO, TP, Brian's got TP on EU, is don't focus so much on what other people are doing, focus more on you. So I only follow myself on YouTube, right? I don't follow anyone else. I don't really know what anyone else is doing. And I think that's the best way, right? Because if you're not looking at what anyone else is doing, you're not caring what, you know what I mean, right? You're only looking at what you're doing. In terms of, do I feel missing out on a winning trade or, should I have entered early?
I wish I took gold.
Yeah, I wish I took gold. No, right? Because you made the decision. The one thing that I am very disciplined about is I make my own decisions in life, right? I chose that decision. So, if like Euro USD, I entered the trade late, right? If I entered Euro USD late, I made that decision. Okay? If it lost, right? That was me. It was my fault. I messed up. And I accept that every time I take a trade. So, when you're chasing trades or you're getting in late or you're getting in early, accept it, right? That's you. That's the person you are, right? I won't hide from the fact that I will enter trades late or early. That's just me, right? I'm not going to tell you that I'm a perfect trader. What is a perfect trader? That doesn't exist, right? You can always say somebody's not perfect. Doesn't exist in this real world. Well, I'm just going to nip to the toilet. You right to cover, yeah?
Yeah. I'll add someone in here. Ask me something. I've got to find it. Bitcoin dropped. Let's have a look. When was it? Christian Fields. Right, the reason, the Mogwai strategy. The Mogwai strategy, so I read the question out. What were the main parameters you had in mind when creating the Mogwai strategy? So you had the BD strategy that we all use first of all. And while using that, I noticed that when price was majorly overbought and oversold, it kind of retraces in good levels. So that's where I sat down with Jamie, created the Mogwai original strategy. Then after a year and a half of making money with that, it's quite hard on that one because you have to do support and resistance levels for it. And then when I was doing trading, I noticed that a lot of the time when Mogwai trends one way or the other, it creates good opportunity for continuation. So that's why we reversed the signals and created Mogwai R, and that Mogwai reversal then created what you got today, followed by what Roy gave us with the indicator to point out obviously when the good trades are, etc. So yeah, it was years of making it and working out how it works. Back. Someone said Bitcoin's dropped. I'm just checking it. Oh yeah, God.
was just thinking, how can I?
What's that?
No, I was just trying to, because it's a bit dark over there. I was trying to fix it, but it's not.
Over where? Over here.
No, so it's bright on the camera, but on.
There, it's dark.
Yeah.
What, on here?
Yeah.
Yeah, take that off.
Do you think take that off?
Yeah, take that off.
How will I turn the laptop screen on? What trade do you just take? Mate, you're USD. You just take USD?
No, UJ. That's UJ.
Oh, it's UJ. Oh, yeah. You just plug up.
Oh, great.
Oh, it's better.
It's what?
It's better.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah.
Oh, fair enough. There's more to show you. Come on, UJ. Let's go. 500 up. Not really.
Jamie, can you tell a little about the market structure on the charts? I've never seen that before. When did you decide to go full-time with trading, quitting your job and living from trading? Okay, 2 questions I'll ask. Do the markets hate me personally, or is this normal? They hate
They do.
So this was quite interesting, actually. So I have been a full-time trader. I've been a full-time trader a lot longer than most people think. I've been full-time for 5 years, maybe. But I didn't really want to quit my job because, like most people, it's like you never really know what's around the corner. Am I going to be consistent long term? You know, this is my main income. And I ended up having a car crash, actually. I had a car crash and I broke my back. And I ended up having like 8-9 months off work with a broken back. And that was it. That moment there, I just changed. Like that 9 months, I'd earned more money. That was when the Mogwai reversal came out, actually, because I was in hospital and Michael was about the Mogwai reversal. So in that 9 months, while I was, well, not in hospital, but 3 months of that I was in hospital, I'd made more money than I was in my day job. And I remember my boss ringing me saying, oh, Jamie, you need a doctor's note to get sick pay. And I was like, I don't really need the sick pay, mate. I'm done. Like, I'm not going to go back to my work. And that was it, right? I kind of look at that as a blessing, because I always say that there is do you look at a cup half full or do you look at a cup half empty? And for me, I look at it as, half full, right? There's a reason for everything. I broke my back, but for me, it was a sign to say, you know what? You need to do your own thing. You need to trade. You need to be a full-time. And it, bloody hell, man, your trade's dropping. Bloody hell, man. Jesus Christ. Somebody says, hobby, you'll need them. You can purchase it from the members area, right? I'll go your trades, but let me just go over what you get, right, when you join me, because a lot of people asking the questions, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me just answer the questions, right, on how do I get rid of that there? Hold on here. So when you join me or join us, okay, let me just let me just find you a valid setup. Let me find you a valid setup. Okay, I'm going to find you a setup that we would take. Funny enough, there's one here. Okay, right, so hold on here. Here. There we go. Done. Okay, right. So when you join us, you obviously get access to the binary show. When you join us, it's a lifetime payment, access, everything, right? I'm the man of my word. Okay, you're part of the group. You get to trade with me every single day. So all of the training, all of the strategies, all of the live streams, all of the weekly webinars for life. That's it, right? You join me for life. You're stuck with me for life and Mogwai. Mm-hmm. So you better make sure that you like drinking, because
there's a lot of it.
Yeah, and so obviously on my charts in front of me, I have the Mogwai reversal strategy. As you can see here, first pullback, second pullback, and we enter on. Hold on, you can't even see. Hold on. Whoa. Can you see? You can see now. Sorry everyone. Sorry. So as you can see on my charts, we have the first pullback, we have the second pullback. Okay, that is Mogwai reversal strategy. And I learned over time to take the second pullback, as you can see there. Second pullback, that's the first, that's the second, and that went for 1 to 2. Okay, you get that? Okay, right, so that's Mogwai reversal. That's what you get when you join us, right? Unlimited training, unlimited live streams, unlimited webinars for life. Now, what a lot of members were asking was for an alert when that appeared, that signal there, okay? And what members ended up doing was creating an alert indicator, okay? So the Mogwai reversal alert indicator. And what that does is it reads the binary destroyer and it produces an alert. So if I turn it on now, you will see it produces an alert, okay? So as you can see, I would have took this trade without the alert, okay? But some people don't have time to trade. They want to get signals sent to their phone. So they wanted a indicator that would do that, would send them a signal to their phone. They could automate it, you know, like with a robot. And that's when the Mogwai reversal alert indicator was created. So when you join us, you get all access to all of that. But the alerts indicator is an extra, okay? It doesn't make any difference to the strategy at all, right? If I turn it off, I would still take the trade anyway, right? Because it's Mogwai reversal. It's just some people wanted a signal sent, like Michael wants a signal sent to his phone that gives them alert, and hence why you have the alerts indicator. And what we found over the last probably 3 months is people realize that actually taking the blue alerts on its own, like literally just taking the blue alerts, works. As you can see, Euro USD, that was a winner. That was a winner just there. In fact, that was London Open. Did London Open win today?
No, I think just it take stop loss.
Oh, mate, that sucks. No, actually. No, yeah, lost. But as you can see here, right? The blue alert. So that's where it came from. Okay? Let me try and find you some setups. I'm just going to put Mogwai's screen on. I'm going to turn mine off and see if I can find some screens, setups. And I'm going to read some of your questions. When do you release the blue alerts indicator for C Trader? Hopefully in the next 2 weeks. Literally, I'm working on it right now. Because trust me, I would like the Mogwai reversal strategy on C Trader because I think it would be really good. Bitcoin dropping hard, change the screen. Matt, I'm trade. Let me just message, what's his name? Mark. Okay, Mark's not on there yet. Oh, hang on, he was online 5 hours ago. I'm following your videos for 3 years. Your videos were blessings, especially when your price action. I mean my words. Thank you, Jamie. Thank you. Assuming you bought the alerts from the website and you sent your you'll be under the invite only. How many last trades for the day do you make on? How many last trades for the day do you make on average? It never stops.
No, it just doesn't.
I just trade every day. I mean, I took a trade literally. I'm not even joking, yeah. Go to my if you go to the Telegram group, I was online at 4 a.m. this morning.
What about mine on 2 a.m. wasn't it?
Yeah, well, you got a blue alert right now on your USD, is it? Is it yours?
Yes, all three have got blue alerts.
Well, I'm gonna see if I can find a setup for you.
Yeah, Bitcoin was a good.
Oh mate, what a trade on Euro USD, mate! What a trade on Euro USD. That's still flying up.
And GU.
There's nothing really apart from. See, I don't really like any of the. I have to really look.
Let
me have a look. I think it's trending, man.
GJ was a good one.
I'm looking at GJ, yeah.
It didn't break the highs on the left, now it has.
Yeah, it has.
I reckon you should take that.
No, I think I would have took the first one. Where the MACD arrow is.
You can't.
I would have done.
Why?
Because that would have been good.
But it didn't break the left highs.
I don't look at that. Hang on here, I've got a trade right now. I'm going to take a cheeky trade on. What a trade is that?
What?
You can see on my.
You can't keep it secret.
You can see on my screen behind you, man.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's awful.
I'm going to take a trade on that.
Go for it.
What trade am I count on? Okay, I'll take it on that one. NZ CAD 0.5. Okay, right. So I've just took a trade, my third trade, and by the way, before you ask, this is not. I don't think. Yeah, this is not. Don't follow me on this one. I'm in profit, right? I've made money on gold. I've made money on Euro USD. This is literally just a, we'll take a trade, see what happens, right? So as you can see, I'm currently up. I've only took this on my prop firm account. Actually, I've not taken my live account. Can you see it? Oh no, it's not working. Why are you not working?
Can I show mine?
You can share yours. Yeah, they can see yours. There you go. I'm up £25 and I took this again, Mogwai reversal. So if I turn the alerts off, right, as you can see here, it is exactly the same thing. So you've got the first pullback there, you've got the second pullback there. As you can see, right, you can see first pullback, second pullback. Again, I don't normally take trades on NZCAD. It's not really I don't need to. I make sort of enough money on gold. But I'm going to go with a 5 pip stop loss on this one here. Again, 10 pip take profit for 1 to 2. I've just had 2 trades go for a 2R. So I am expecting a loss. So I'm just pre-warning you. Right? I'm not invincible when it comes to trading. Somebody says, what is the cost of the blue alerts upgrade? £99. £99. How much is it would be for C Trader? If you're a BD member, obviously, listen, if you're a BD member, all members get a 50% discount. That is my honor to you, right? It always has been. Okay, I'm not in this game to make money off people. I'm in this game to trade with you lot. As long as the binary destroyer pays for itself, I'm happy. And that's the way I work, right? Why should I pay my money to, on other people's trading? As long as the binary destroyer pays for itself, we're all happy. You're happy, I'm happy, and, we have a good community. So that's how I work it. We need to get Matt on. Should we get Matt on? Matt's really active in the group.
Matt.
Yeah, Matt. Should I get Matt on? The Matt. Let me see if I can get Matt on. Put him in here. Who wants to come onto the live stream with us?
And we got FOMO Ryan as well.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm asking if Ryan wants to come. Look, gold now. I know gold's flying. Someone's asked, question for the both of you. If trading was a dating app, wow, I like that question. This guy, Greek Viking. Okay, so currently right now, Greek Viking. There's 3 people in the running.
That is classic.
There's 3 people.
That is a classic.
And I'm going to have to put these. No, we've got 4. Destin, Hyder, 199100, King, Gitsy, and Greek Viking. There's 4 people we need to put in a hat. What a question. If trading was a dating app, how many times would you swipe left on your own settles? What a question.
I would say half your trades.
No, I'm sorry, mate. That's winning. I'm going to write that down. That's definitely winning. The Greek King. Greek Viking. Mate, honestly, I think you're in the winning for this prop firm challenge. Well, how many times would you swipe left on your own trades? A lot. I think
yours are hideous. Yeah,
my trades. I get so I'm quite bad. I'm quite bad for trades. Quite bad. A lot of people question the trades I take. But it's I don't care what other people question. I just take them. But that's it, right? I think trading's more about. I've always had this belief, right, that trading's more about a skill rather than logic, right? There is no logic to trading. Like, you could be smarter than me and not make money.
Yeah.
So what's the answer, right? It's clearly not brain cells, is it? So it's more about trusting the process, trusting what you do, and just going with it. Just take the trade. Like here, I took a trade on NZCAD. I've probably never took a trade on NZCAD in my life, and I like it. I'm in profit. Why not? Just take the trade. What happens? It is what it is. If this drops down in money, I'm like, yeah, nice. How do you get 50% off the members? You can purchase it from the members app. Listen, everybody is watching. If you have any questions about joining us or what you get or whatever, just send me an email or ask a question and I can go over it. How many beers does it take before a setup starts? What a question.
The setups do get better looking with beer.
Whoa. Mate, these questions I'm gonna write you all down. Sorry. That's I love that question. Mate, I think I'm gonna have to give away 2 prop firm accounts. These two, I'm sorry, these two are definitely the winners. The Greek Viking and Mini Co 02. You two need to send me an email. You two are in the winner. I think you lot are like, I don't know, 02. So 02, yeah, 02, yeah. What a question, man. How many beers does it take before a setup looks good enough for you guys? I don't know. Half a beer.
Yeah.
I have took some trades. I tell you an interesting story, right? I remember being at a casino in London and it was like 4 a.m. in the morning, right? It was 4 a.m. in the morning and I don't know what happened. Sometime between 2 a.m. and 5 a.m. I took a trade. I can't remember what currency pair it was, but I woke up in the morning and I was minus 12 grand. And I had absolutely no clue at all why I took the trade. I tried to look back and I was like, I have no clue. And it was quite a good day actually because I'd made a lot of money in the casino. So I'd woke up with a load of cash. And I remember looking at my phone and thinking, why the hell am I in this trade? I had no clue why I was in this trade. And yeah, it was quite funny actually. I remember that. That was when I was doing... Do you remember when I did £400 to $1 million? That was one of those trades. I must have been that drunk that I just took a random trade.
You should have been drunk on your last one when you did that major lot, over lot size.
On what?
Your last gold trade.
Yes.
To get to the $1 million on the buy, and then you just absolutely bottled it.
Yeah, I did bottle it, mate.
But I can see why. It's a big...
Yeah, it's difficult, mate. It's psychology.
Like now in your prop firm, £4, you don't care.
No, I don't care.
It's 4 million. 4,000.
Yeah, well, that's it. You kind of like, but this is why when I trade the large account and I think and it trades up £1,000. I think, but I could take partials. I could take 500 quid.
Yeah.
That's 500 quid. Do you know what I mean? I can move my stop loss, and it's like, and people are like, but hold it for a 2R. I'm like, yeah, I get the logic, but it's
like me. I was well up.
It's £1,000.
30, 40 quid now, 70 quid. No partials.
It takes a lot of nerve. A lot of nerve. If what they're saying in the
Ryan wants to come join us.
Ryan wants to come join us.
It's the stop loss king.
I can. What happened to me? Right. Okay. So I'm gonna get a few BD members on this Zoom call. Okay. So let me just I'm gonna hold on. I've got to do something. I'm just going to add.
Are there any discounts for female beginners?
Who's that? Yeah, send me an email.
It should be more.
More what?
More money.
Why?
I don't know. For asking.
Yeah, well, I don't mind when people are confident and they ask cheeky questions. I get a lot of people that ask me actually about like I work in the like police force or the air ambulance. I'm like, do I get blue collar? Was it blue?
Blue card.
Blue, yeah. I'm like, no, but considering you asked, yes, I'll give you a discount. Right. Right, I'm going to send all the BD members the link to join the group chat.
Yeah.
And if you've got any questions, not questions, join here and I will add you in. Oh wow, a lot of people are taking trades, man. Look at that.
Who?
With the today in the group chat.
Oh yeah.
What a trade that is. Mogwai reversal. Oh wow, people are watching me on my live stream. Nice. Mine first. Let me know when they join. Right, anyway, so I'm in. By the way, if anyone's got any trades they want to ask me or post, low, ouch, 12 bags gone in the middle of the night. Yeah, but again, right, it's hindsight. You can always look at trades in hindsight. You know, I've made a lot of money while sleeping.
Yeah.
Okay, you know, it's you know, someone asked me earlier, is how do you deal with the psychology of losing money? Listen, if you're not prepared to make money and be super happy about it, then you're not prepared to lose the money, right? You can't have both. You can't have one without the other, right? That's fact. You can't have wins without losses.
You have to.
You have to, mate. I mean, look at my NZ CAD, which is now suddenly gone against me. But you know, my stop loss is out the way. We worry about it. We move on. It's not in the world. Jamie, in the trades you're taking right now, are you punching in the SL on MT4, MT5 manually? No, I'm not. I don't. Unless I'm walking away from the trade. So right now I have not set a stop loss and take profit. As you can see, I don't know if you can see my charts. You can. There's a MACD just flickered. Did you see the MACD just flicker? You can't see because there you go. See that MACD? Oh, it's disappeared again. That's telling me the market's oversold, which is great. It means we're likely overbought, which means it's likely to come down. So I'm still holding the trade. There you go. See the MACD? So I'm sticking in there. Oh, you can see that. I can't see your charts, man.
I tell you, I even know the high. Is it beer o'clock again?
You got beer?
Yeah, I'm out. We're going to do a beer pyramid over there.
You can do a beer pyramid.
Yeah, come on. Where's your other one? I remember the last one I did was absolutely smashed.
Who?
Mate, do you remember?
Oh, I mean, it's a 12-hour live stream. And
that was awful. That was cracking. I can see us getting ripped off again with that shot.
Yeah. Let me answer some of your questions. Mogwai, how many emails will it take Jamie to get the prop firm? Will it be like Alex hoodie? Alex still hasn't had the hoodie. You know what? Roy's not even had his hoodie. Roy's not even had his hoodie yet.
I've got two.
Mark asked for one the other day again. Mark asked for a black one earlier. I love that. I'm a female beginner too. That's good. I like females. You know what? This trading is very male dominated.
Yeah.
It's very masculine. What's it called? Masculine. It's all about alpha dominance. Look at me. I'm a bloke and I've got good trading skills. Yeah. So it's good to get females in there.
We've got the lovely Emma.
What a question that is. Do you pull out faster in the trades or in a relationship? I mean, he did that on the that's more of the sensible one. You know, I could have reworded that. Do I pull out faster in a trade or relationship? Trade. 100% trade.
I've got more faith in a relationship.
Yeah.
Sounds echo. Echo! Okay.
Jamie, is that Stella? No, it's not Stella. It is Turkish. It's Turkish, look. It's Turkish. Welcome to trading, where I mean we probably are the worst examples of traders, aren't we? We just sit here, we have a trading session, we have a few beers, and we just sit here and make money.
Matt, Ryan's having trouble.
Why? He's not in the group, he's not in here.
He's on the click, all you can see is my screen apparently.
Oh, hold on, copy link, let me try now.
We've got an echo. Oh, hang on.
We don't have an echo, do we?
Hello, live stream, after speaking. Yeah, you asked me to. I did say to Mr. Kells, I said the lionesses. Whatever. That's to bring me down.
What's that?
I don't want to go see the girls at football, even though she's a girl that plays football.
Hey, gold's flying up, man.
You chose being a bitch.
Is it?
Yeah. I'll keep the faith. Come on. Let's go, UJ. All I've got to do is win this, I bet you.
Is this guy joining in, man?
Huh?
What's his name?
Right.
Yeah. Did he click the link?
Yep, and all you can see is my screen apparently.
I can't see him, mate. Oh, mate, GJ was flying up, mate. What a trade. We missed out on that.
Right, was on that.
Was he?
Yeah, I went to take that. But I took UJ instead, which is alright, but I just feel like it's going to hit my break even. I'm not impressed.
Oh, Matt's joined. Hey, Matt. Let me unmute him. Hello, mate. You alright? Alright, I need to figure out what. Alright, let me just sort my thing out.
Have we got the microphone?
Hello, can you hear me? Alright, Matt. Alright, bloody hell, we've got everyone here. We've got everyone here now. Hello. Hold on, let me add you in.
Everyone's wondering about this.
What?
Fix the sound.
What sort of sound?
I don't know, it's echo.
Try now. Hold on. Matt, webcam. Bloody hell, we've got everyone here, man. Everyone's joining here at the minute. Sorry, everyone, I'm trying to add everyone in.
Oh my god, look at Matt, what a good looking fella. What a hunk. Fresh haircut.
Here's our haircut, man. He's got bloody out.
Beard trim.
Let me add Ryan in. Ryan's like, oh, look, fresh show, he's going on there. He's admin now, isn't he?
Oh.
Browser. Hold on. Ryan webcam.
Dun, dun.
Everyone's about to meet some of them.
If everyone says buy low, sell high,
Yeah?
who's volunteering to be the buyer when I sell higher?
I don't know. Right, I've got to put Matt at the bottom of the screen and Ryan. Ryan's webcam's good quality, man. What webcam's Ryan got?
I know, he's got a super. He said he bought a really expensive one to look better looking.
Did he?
Yeah, he's going on Tinder.
Okay, right, unmute. Unmute. Hello, can you all hear me?
We're getting somewhere now.
Is that Matt?
Yeah, can you hear me?
I can hear someone.
That's me.
Is it? Hold on, let me can you hear us?
I
Hello.
can hear you. Yeah.
Yeah, Matt, can you hear us?
I can hear you, mate. Can you hear me?
Yeah, good. And Ryan's good, yeah?
Yeah, it's all good.
Well, can everyone else hear us? That's what I'm saying. Everyone's online, man. Let me just check what everyone else is saying. How's live trading
It's
you
the
all?
one he uses for his OnlyFans.
Is it? Oh dear me.
Yes.
It's on break even.
Look at Matt swing around in his chair.
I think what it is, Matt's just too cool for school.
You can see. Can you hear me right now? Yeah.
Yeah, I can hear you right now, but I don't know where I'm hearing it from.
Yeah. Well, that's it, because the YouTube is like 30 seconds too late. So it's like we have a conversation, and then 30 seconds later, it's on YouTube. That's what it is. So basically, we're just having a talk between us two at the minute. Let me just.
So do I mute the YouTube stream then?
It's up to you if you want to mute it, but like you're just going to hear my voice in literally 20 seconds time.
Yeah, and now
Yeah.
Is that Ryan?
yeah, that's better. I'm not hearing everything twice now.
That's Matt.
Are you not? Well, it depends what everyone else is saying.
I can't see. All I can see is Mogwai's screen live.
Can you not see my screen?
No, I can't see your screen. I can see your.
Yeah, my screen's on YouTube, but obviously you can, like, if I share my screen, because you're looking at the room, aren't you? Hold on, if I put my screen in the room, I don't know how you put this, hold on. Share screen with others. Hold on. Windows.
Through the window.
There you go, you'll see my screen pop up now.
To the wow.
Thank you.
Is my screen popped up?
Yes.
Oh yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's my screen. There you go. So that's how it works. We sit and have a chinwag, and then Mark's probably going to be joining us soon.
Mark? No way, mate.
But I can't figure out how to stop the 30-minute delay on YouTube, that's all.
30 minutes? 30 seconds.
Is that a 50 EMA or 100 EMA? Did any of you lot take gold or Euro USD?
Or you, Jay?
Mate, I was still in Euro USD from London Open this morning, and it died during your buy.
Oh, sorry.
No, Matt, you only can say positive things on YouTube.
What was negative?
Yeah,
Your haircut.
that's why he's going on. Oh dear me. Yeah, so what? London Open's what? Down 1% on. So it's down 1% then, isn't it? No, it's not. It's break even.
No, break even.
Break even. So it's now down to Thursday and Friday.
Oh, okay.
It is.
And I didn't.
But
Yeah.
I noticed today was one of those occasions where it got to like 16 pips, and then so here's an example of sticking to rules. It got to 16 pips. I've got automatic break even at 15.
Yeah.
And it reversed. It got near break even, and I was like, "Oh, do you know what? Let's take the stock back to minus 10 pips." And then obviously it eventually went through that. But obviously the idea is just to let it play out either way, isn't it?
Yeah, but I would have. I mean, I weirdly missed it Monday. I missed it today as well. I only took the winner on Tuesday. I would have personally I would have took 15 pips, mate, if it was me.
Mm.
It depends.
All of the back testing, I did loads of back testing last month.
Yeah.
Going back weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks. And if you targeted 15 pips rather than 20, you would overall be down.
So you're better off targeting the 2R.
You are better off targeting the 2R. But the thing for me is just staying confident enough in it just to let it play out.
Yeah.
Because I know like plenty of times it will get to 10, 15 pips. It'll kind of like tag over wherever the entry was and then still go to your 2R.
Yeah, I know. And it's one of them where it's like, do you want to spend all day in a trade on like, you know, kind of scraping for 20 pips?
Mm.
But yeah, I know what you're saying. But I got my funded account on Tuesday, and since then I've been trading it on gold. So like I feel kind of like I should be trading it on London Open. So I'm probably going to start.
Well, that's what you got it for, wasn't it? Wasn't that the whole thing?
Yeah. So basically, got funded with London Open, literally London Open, phase 1, phase 2. But today, when I had it, I decided to take some because I didn't take London Open today. I thought I would take some gold blue alerts instead, which got me in profit. And I said to Mogwai earlier, I said, well, I can't use this account for like gold blue alerts. I should only use it for London Open. That's why I bought another account, another prop firm account, just for blue alerts.
With a 10-to-1 leverage.
Yeah, which is literally rubbish. Like 1 to 2.
Yeah, but if you can pass for that, you can pass with anything.
That's true.
I took a trade earlier and I went in with 0.10 and I thought, I'll take another trade at 0.10 and it wouldn't let me. I'm like, what? This is a joke. So yeah, I'm literally it's going to be super.
How's that other trade going?
What NZ CAD? NZ CAD's literally just sitting sort of there. I've gone over to the 1 minute time frame to see if I can find some setups. Ryan, you got any setups, mate?
No, mate. I took GJ.
You took GJ?
Yeah, I took GJ earlier.
You know the one we missed.
Oh, did it win?
Yeah, it's really good.
What Ryan took it and it won?
Yeah, I know.
Oh,
yeah, I took it.
Everybody is watching, right?
In disbelief.
Yeah, so there's a rolling theme in the group where every time Ryan takes a trade, we take a trade in the opposite direction.
We all make money.
Yeah.
And donate it.
It seems to be every trade Ryan takes loses, so we take a trade in the opposite direction.
Oh, damn.
Well.
So this one won then, yeah, GJ.
Yeah.
Really
That's good, man. I'm just flicking through the charts to try and find some setups.
Mate, it's just going one way, and we missed.
What? No, we haven't.
Well, don't forget you got UJ, EU, and Gold all shouted out, and they all won in a 3-hour period. So
Yeah, but
there's no but.
there is a but, and there's a. I really like that trade. That's really nice.
What one?
It is really
EJ.
nice.
Okay.
I might take EJ.
And it's blue.
I am going to take EJ, mate. I am.
Spread on EJ is diabolical.
The what?
EJ. What?
Spread.
Oh, I can't find it. Trade. Yeah, let me have a look at this one before I take the trade. How long has it been in an uptrend? Nah, mate, I can't take that trade.
I'll tell you what,
Nah,
gold-
I'm not taking that trade.
Gold sells
No,
would
no,
be beautiful. I'm telling you.
I can't take that trade, man. Got to follow the rules. I tell you what, NZ. Oh, I'm in NZ CAD. I was about to say NZ CAD's going to be nice. I'm already in that. GCAD. There's a lot of setups happening on the 1 minute. It's just we're going to have to wait probably. Euro. Yeah, see, there's a lot of. You're getting a lot of first pullbacks. Hang on here. Hello. What's this one here? Ooh, this looks nice. This does look nice, and the MACD is going overboard. Euro CAD. First pullback there, and second pullback there. Thank you very much. I might consider that. We'll see what happens. Let me answer some of your questions.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Don't worry, Ryan. That used to be me, said Emma.
What, Emma? How, Emma?
Yeah, Emma. According to psychology, when you don't feel well, you are much more vulnerable and might do wrong decisions. Yeah. I can see that logic.
I mean, to be fair, Jamie was laid up in a hospital bed for 3 months and he'd done all right then.
Yeah, I actually quite liked being in hospital, mate. Mogwai's running the BD on my behalf. I was on morphine and tramadol and I was living life. I couldn't complain, mate. I came out sound.
Who is it? Nathan. Is it Nathan?
Who's Nathan?
2890. Is that 50 or a 100 MA on the screen? So we've got 200 EMA, BD one, and a 50 EMA.
Yeah.
That's the other one. And when they kind of correlate together, they in a trend, then we take them. This UJ is absolutely punishing me. Come
Right,
on.
this trade. I'm going to enter. I'm entering EuroCAD, mate. I'm entering EuroCAD. Yeah, I am entering EuroCAD. Sorry, people.
Uh-oh.
Don't follow me on this. My guidance. I don't have EuroCAD on my watch list.
That's bad.
It is bad, isn't it? Now you're probably sitting there and going, Jamie, you haven't got a signal on USD CAD, but Matt is going to tell me you will have it the lower time frames.
Go to the 1 second.
No, you go to 30 seconds and boom, there's my signal. Look at that. I will take that all day long. Thank you very much.
Yeah, 3 weeks late. Off the zone. That's terrible.
Is it?
Well, where it is now, are you in it?
I'm in it. I've just
Oh,
sent it.
there you
I'm up. I'm in two. I mean, look. That's the big one. That's a big account. Look. Is it working?
Come on,
Yeah, sweet. Just get on it at the double top.
Have it.
Hey.
Yeah, sweet. Just get in it at the double top.
Yeah, man. Don't worry.
Yeah, but you know what happens when Jamie buys and sells? It just wins.
Yeah, no.
I'm just a fluke.
I mean, who buys gold that high and it goes higher? That's ridiculous.
A goal was just. What do you mean?
It was about 400 points up.
It went for a 1 to 2. It's still going up and now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, hold on. I've got to figure out. So I'm going for a 10 pip stop loss and a 20 pip take profit. I'm going to set my SL. There we go. Done. We're rocking and rolling, mate. I'm in 2 trades. Let me have a look at my other trade, actually, I'm in. Are you lot in any trades?
Is anyone in my UJ trade? That's the question.
More, I've got out of UJ.
Hey?
You got out
I've
of
got out of
UJ?
UJ.
Oh, yeah, you did. You're Mr. FOMO.
No, I'm not FOMO, mate.
If you was in drawdown, you wouldn't have closed it.
No. Take them. Run.
Come on. Come on, UJ. UJ.
What time frame?
Teasing me. What, UJ?
Can Jamie and Michael hear you?
I can hear you. And Michael's next to me, he can hear you.
You might have a really good camera, Ryan, but you've got a crappy microphone.
That's not me talking.
No, it's not Ryan.
Does it matter?
No,
Who was
Yeah.
there?
I'm not going to attempt to say. Right, thank you.
Who?
Have a look at the menu.
Right, hold on, I'm just posting.
I think he's in.
He's in the chat, yeah?
Come on, UJ. Give me that 2R. Stop messing
Let me have a
around.
look, let me have a look.
We all know you're going down. Come on.
Who's this guy? Who's it? Someone wants to join. Hold on, I'll add you in. I'll add you in. 1 minute, mate.
Who is it?
Can you hear us? Hello, you alright, mate? Hello? Hello?
Go on, Jeremy. Let's get that camera in there. There you go. Editing purposes.
Right, anyway, who's there? Oh, I've got loads of people there. Oh, no. Right, hold on. Give me a sec. I'm trying to multitask at the same time. How do I, Right, hold on. Can you hear that guy in the group?
Yeah, it's Polydephis, isn't it?
I don't know. I can't add him in. I'm waiting for Roy. What's his name? Where the hell's Roy?
Oh, it's 1 second poly.
Yeah, I know the poly guy.
Yeah,
1 second. I just can't. I can't add him in. It says here unmute. The 1 second guy. Unmute. Mute. Are you there? Can you hear us? He's definitely in, man. Let me add him in. This guy trades the 1
He
second.
can hear you, but you can't hear him.
I've unmuted him. He ain't talking.
Me and Ryan are talking to him in the lobby or whatever it is, but you obviously can't hear him.
In the foyer.
I'm in the lobby talking to you. Hold on, yeah, hold on. Let me
Foyer.
add him. Yeah, let me add him in. Oh no. Hold on.
Oh.
Video capture.
You still anymore?
Am I what? Still on 2 trades? Yes. Hold on. Hello. Are you there? What you... I can't hear him.
Who?
The
Can you hear Jamie?
No, you know what it is? When he's talking, it only lasts 1 second.
1 second, guy.
So
can you hear us?
You're right. He goes, yep. Okay. Here you go.
Hey, you don't hear me.
There he is.
I can hear you.
Hey, okay. I mean, I was talking alone, already two trades.
Oh, he needs to turn his YouTube off.
And I was trying
Yeah,
to
turn
say
YouTube off. Or mute something.
He's made about 20R the whole time he's been sitting there.
No, I mean.
Right, anyway, back to trading.
It's just one nice setup.
Hey? I tell you what, my EuroCAD trade's winning. Someone says, who's that all in the live stream? Just put, I'm going to put some guy who built new alerts indicator.
Yeah, the loop. Roy the loop.
Yeah, green.
Give me the loop.
Alerts. Epic. Right, anyway, sorry everyone, we're just having a rolling theme in the group. Right, anyway, let me mute this group here. Let me mute the Telegram group because I get distracted. Okay, so let's give you an update on my 2 trades. I'm in 2 trades, EuroCAD, and I'm in...
Can we share mine?
Yeah, let me just share Mogwai's screen here. By the way, wow, what a trade that is, Mogwai. Bloody hell.
Come on, Mogwai.
Right, can you move your screen up? Because they can only see...
Can I move it out? What do you mean move it out? Right,
so we're joined by 3 of our most... what would you describe these people?
What? Oh, the most interactive, amazing membership group people.
Yeah, Matt's looking at you now and he's like, what's he going to say about me?
I think, Matt's just like...
Yeah, basically,
right-hand man.
Yeah, right, Matt's good, yeah, he's right-hand man. Ryan's just...
Left-hand man.
I feel like Ryan's upside down, like...
Or left, is it left foot? Left foot.
Yeah, 5 steps forward and 10 steps back.
And you kick the bed
and this guy here has just joined. What's his name? Polly...
1 second, Polly.
Yeah, I can't understand your logic and the way you trade. I literally can't.
I understand the logic. It's just too quick for me.
Can you share your screen? Do you want to share your screen and explain your logic with the Mogwai reversal?
I will try to share.
Yeah, just share your screen and I'll put your screen on the charts and then you can explain how you trade.
No, I did share on the wrong screen.
Is that your screen on the bottom, yeah? No, it's not. That's it is. Is that yours, yeah? Yeah, I can
Yes.
Yeah, okay, I'm going to add you in. I'm going to add your logic in. Browser.
Can you hear me still?
Yeah, I can see it.
Oh, Roy wants to get added.
Okay.
Yeah, hold on. He's going to have to wait.
Man.
So explain your... let me add you in. Alright. Jamie, hold on, let me turn my screen off. Oh yeah? Right, go on, put your screen on, but your screen is looking at us two at the minute. Huh?
I have the goals on my screen.
Hey? Your screen is looking at us lot on a webcam. And then you turned it off now.
Okay. Let me try.
Yeah, I can see it.
Now?
Yeah, but you need to. I'm getting a double sound.
One moment.
No problemo. We're all fascinated on how you trade. I can. Let me. How about now? Can you hear us?
Yes, I hear everybody.
Okay, carry on then.
Okay, man. Can you see my screen?
Yeah. Oh, Matt, can you hear him?
Yeah.
Alright, okay, carry on. Show me your strategy.
First, talking from. So it's gonna be a little bit more difficult. So what I mostly do, I look to get the.
Ryan's still here. Ryan's still here. We lost everyone.
Okay, we lost the whole fucking system's gone down.
Oh, that's on.
Must have. I've got nothing on there.
Sound not good. Stream crashing. Yep, crashing. No, no.
Yeah.
Who? No. Amen. We're good. Everyone's here. Right, Matt's winking his eyes. I can see Matt. I can see Ryan's looking and he's like confused on what to do. So say goodbye or sell.
That's his trading career.
Right, alright. Sorry everyone that's in here. I'm gonna add 1 minute guy back in. Matt, 1 minute guy, I'll add you back in. But
1 second.
Yeah, 1 second guy, but obviously I can't share your screen because something crashed. Let me just get rid of here. So, who's at the door?
That's not us.
Room service.
Oh,
My wife is bringing food.
Oh, right. So I've currently have 2 trades open, right? Because obviously we need to answer some questions. We're doing this live stream, right? So everyone's got any questions, let me know. Jamie, is that a hotel? It looks like somewhere the Taliban would be hiding.
To be fair, the foyer is fabulous.
Yeah. Well, we are staying. I'm not even joking you. No joke. This is the presidential suite in Kensington. I'm not even joking you. Look, I'll show you the booking confirmation. And you look at it. I took one like the foyer, amazing. It was beautiful. And then I came into the room like, what's going on here? What is it? Look, presidential palace. I'm like, what?
I think.
Are you going head to toe tonight?
He's not staying here, mate. Mogwai he's not allowed to stay over the night.
Not trusted. Can you put my screen on?
Yeah, so let's put Mogwai's screen on. I'm currently in 2 trades. Let me turn mine off. My two trades are I'm currently in Euro CAD, which is down £50, as you can see there. And on my prop firm account, if I log into that one there, it is down 32p. Which I might just close off. So I'm closing NZ CAD off.
Euro CAD.
You need to move your screen up.
Which mean up?
It's me.
On the screen on here.
How do I do that?
Look, come look at what the screen says. So look, you'll see what I'm saying. So this is live.
Oh.
Half of it. You need to go
okay.
up. Yeah, I can't put that.
Yeah.
That
What about
the
that?
TV behind me is plugged into
Is that better?
up. Yeah, that's better. That's better.
I'm so glad you boys are better traders than you are AV technicians.
Yeah,
Oh,
well,
we're
you need to have
awful.
look. Just have confidence that we
Why's
can't
it not?
fake stuff and fabricate it. What? Because I can't plug that TV into the monitor. I can plug it into a computer. If you want to plug your, can that cable reach to there?
What? No, it's fine.
Well, you can plug
Because
it.
that's the YouTube can see this, yeah?
What?
That's great. I
Yes.
just wanted to see.
Yes.
Is that Mark?
Where?
Oh, there's Mark.
Oh, Mark's joined.
Mark's in the house.
No, he's not.
Yeah, he is.
Oh
He
my
is.
god.
G'day,
He
mate.
is.
Good day, mate. You alright,
His
Mark?
hair's got even longer.
He has. Mark, Jesus Christ. What's with the haircut?
What it is, if he cuts his hair, he loses his
He
pics.
can't afford a haircut.
Oh, we can't hear you, Mark. You got to turn your thing on.
Oh god, look, he's got glasses on. Hey Mark, so we're being joined by Mark, one of our probably most successful members. Successful cross-dresser, I'd probably say. I don't know, I'm not sure about that. Right, let me just add Mark in. What we at? Group.
But Jamia, I mostly look the numerology and the setup. For example, if there is a setup here, I will mostly look also the number itself and the setup.
Like psychology levels,
If
yeah.
it is mock Y, I will take it.
Oh, do you mean psychological levels?
Numerology. Like
Oh, psychology.
I've got jump, take a lot of trades.
He said numerology, I think.
The best trades that he took are from, for example, on the number 8, for example. I've seen so many times in 1 second that when the price is going to touch the 5,
Your trade's
it
dropping
will go
hard,
after
mate.
on 1 after.
Come on. Hit TP, come on. We need it for the live stream views. What's FBI?
Someone says new Jamie, is that a hotel? Someone
No.
says numerology. FBI.
Yeah, numerology is just something that
Yeah.
I learned, and now I see it, the numbers on the screen, and somehow it happens. The power numbers are Mogwai. Somehow Mogwai is always hitting on the best numbers,
Yeah.
and the best trades I see are from the number sales is number 8.
Oh, go on.
I
Come
remember
on.
Jamie
Is your trade
posted
at
time.
TP?
Even
Come on.
the pro took this trade.
Sorry, your trade's at TP.
No, it's so close. Come on. Come on, Mogwai.
Mark, are you there?
Come on.
Yeah, mate.
Oh, Mark. Mark's here.
What?
Mark.
I've got to go to a midwife appointment, so I'll love you and leave you.
Cheers, Matt. Love you lots.
Cheers, mate. Bye. Hold on, let me get rid of Matt. Okay. Mark, you alright?
Yeah.
Can you see that?
So, welcome to the live stream. How are you?
Thank you. Well, I'm pretty tired, but you know, I knew one of us was going to be sacrificing sleep. So
Oh. Anyway, so you joined us live on stream. Everybody's watching your screen. Well, they're not watching my screen. They're watching Mogwai's screen because Mogwai is currently winning a trade at the
Will it
minute.
hit? Oh, it's so close.
Yeah, he's literally Mogwai's winning a trade right now.
Come on.
okay, what's he on?
He's on a
UJ.
UJ CAD JPY.
No. Yes, done. Boom. 2R. That's how it's done, boys and girls. None of this nitpicking, in and out, profit taking, crap. 1 to 2. Boom. Thank you.
That's what I have to deal with every single day, Mark.
Come on, Mogwai. Let's go.
Every single day. I have to deal with. It's like he's never won a trade before.
Oh, my boy, you are king.
Right. Anyway, so Mark, introduce yourself. How old are you?
Do you really want to know that?
I'm older than you. I'm 60.
You're not 60, are you? Christ. And how long you been trading for?
That's your age. What, successfully or pretending to be a trader?
Well,
Fake
how
it till
long?
you make it.
Yeah, how long you been attempting to learn to trade for?
I started in 2011.
Wow, that's a long time. Jesus.
I know.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear
Yeah,
you.
go
I can
on,
hear.
mate.
Can you
Yeah.
hear us? My next
It's a
question.
bit of an echo. I get it. It's a little bit difficult because I get an echo.
Is that through his YouTube? He's got to turn it off.
Have you got your YouTube on?
I just clicked the link that you have put in. That's where
Yeah. Well, yeah. So I don't know what the internet connections. I don't know. Everything seems to be good here. Are you?
Internet is crap. It's got to be
So
one of the
if you
worst.
see my screen, I hit.
Yeah, I can see that trade. You're
I
in
have
that
to
trade,
close
yeah.
because I don't know what the. Stop. 1 second.
I need to find some trades, mate. That's what I need to do. I need to find some trades. So, there's going to be some people asking you some questions very soon, Mark. Everybody's typing in here. TP, my God. TP, my God.
Because I'm the best, bro.
I know, I can tell. So, Mogwai, can I ask you
Echo, so it'll be a bit drawn out. Basically because me and my wife split up and she left me with the children and all the house debt and everything like that. And I come across this thing for binary option trading, and I lost what I had, and then I give up a bit.
and then
Getting sort of quick money to keep things afloat. A little bit of success.
yeah,
Was hit and miss with different break, want to get money out of them, etc. And then I come across you when you were money for traders.
this was binary, yeah. This was binary, yeah.
Yeah. Remember when you were the money boy ones as they were?
Yes, back in the day, like really back in the day.
And then you started. Then when you started with BD, I thought, oh, this is right.
Yeah,
So that's when I thought, all right,
I'll give it a try.
it's not $1 million to get the indicator or anything, so I joined up. At that stage, I still wasn't very successful.
So you wasn't successful before you joined the BD?
I had some wins, but it was like win, lose, take the money out. You have to put more money in. I was sort of going around in circles.
Yeah.
So yeah, and it still was a little bit. I think it was until about 2018 it started to.
I'm with you.
That's when started to do all right with binary.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
How has your trading changed from binary to forex? Like, what have you done differently, or learnt differently, or done differently with your trading?
Early on, it didn't change. I still stacked and stuff like that.
I know you still stack your trades.
I'd have to say my patience has changed now. Like I can go 5 days and without taking. I'll wait until the setup is fully done before I take the trade.
Oh man.
But so you wait as you do. You wait how long it takes for a setup, and then what? You just take the trade and go full out, stack loads of trades, and off you go.
Yeah, because I still only try and get small amounts. So I'm not doing what Michael just did, trying to get a 2R.
Well, that was
I'm
lucky.
doing
You don't need to give him any like gratitude. He was lucky with that. That's his first win of the month.
I put high lot sizes in, try and get small amounts, and I just belt the drill.
I think Ryan's won more trades than you.
Yeah.
Mark, that was 22 pips, yeah? So imagine a high lot size account with 22 pips.
Yeah, well, like I said, I do leave a lot on the table, but it's like I said, I'll do 50 to 100 lot and to try and take 5 or 10 pips out of it. That's it.
Right.
And then so because I get asked the question all the time, and I do see it in the Telegram group a lot about obviously what you're trading with the BD on C Trader. How do you manage a trade? Because obviously people say about stop losses and take profits. What's your thought process when you go into a trade? Like, you have a set stop loss?
Well, I'm doing it. I don't really. How can I explain this? When I say I have to wait for like 3 days or 5 days, that's because I'm doing like very high pip size. So if a setup happens 50 or 100 pip brick size, then you go back to a 5 pip, then you're literally waiting for the same thing to happen. You know you're going to win. So if it does pull back a little, I'll probably just wait a little bit and hopefully it'll come back. If it goes more than like 3 bricks, I'll just stop. I'll just close it.
Right, I'm with you. Okay.
But that.
And that's
I don't like. People ask me a lot about that, but I don't get involved in that because it's your money. You decide your own how you want to risk it. If you know, I don't want to be responsible for people risking money they can't afford to lose.
Yeah, I know. This is the problem I have always with trading and teaching people is like people don't necessarily hold accountable for their actions. So it's like, if I take a trade and it's like I would lose 1% and they're like, well, I've lost my whole account. I'm like, well, I didn't tell you to risk your whole account on a trade, did I?
I did tell you about the guy that committed suicide, didn't I?
What happened?
It was one of the BD members. It was like 2022, I think, 2023. He was from Romania or something like that. And he basically lost all the money that he had for the shopping or whatever it was. And he basically told me he followed something that I did. And he overextended and lost everything. And I literally spoke to him for about 4 hours trying to make him understand that it's best to go and tell his wife and talk to his wife about it and whatever. And anyway, when I thought it was all good and done, I got a message from the next day saying that he killed himself, basically.
He what? Killed himself?
So that's why I don't talk to people about.
Do you remember that guy?
Yeah,
do you remember that guy? And he died of cancer. Do you remember him?
Yeah.
I can't remember his name. And I didn't pay for his funeral, but he was a BD member and he reached out to everybody.
Who died?
He died of cancer.
Yeah, this guy, he basically.
Do you remember?
I remember the one that got killed in a car crash. That was devastating.
Yeah, I don't remember that. I remember paying for I didn't pay for the wedding, but I paid for I contributed for the flowers and stuff.
The wedding?
Not wedding, funeral.
Wrong event.
I can't remember his name, but he was an awesome lad, a real top of the bloke guy he was.
Yeah, that's the main reason why I don't want to be involved with telling people take profits and stop losses. I think at some point you've got to stop leading people around by the nose, and they've got to do the work. I mean,
Yeah.
you can tell people all day long about what you do at the webinars and stuff, and I still get people saying they can't follow it. Okay. Well, at some point, put the work in,
Yeah, well, that's it. Is that you can teach people to trade, but you can't teach people to use proper risk management. Like I've realised that quite a lot, because, and I've noticed that in the group as well. So when I take a trade or I post a trade, people will always like, oh, Jamie's taking this trade, boom, like 10 lots, and it's like, wow, do you know what I mean? Like here, I'm actually looking at GPJPY, so I'm going to sell GPJPY probably any minute now.
I was just looking at that.
Oh, I'm looking at it too, mate. The MACD is just... Let me just have a look here. Hold on. Let me just have a quick look here. I think the MACD has just gone overboard. In the next 15 seconds, that MACD is going overboard.
What are you buying?
I'm not buying anything.
Come on. Are you selling? Are you selling?
I'm not saying anything.
Come on. Sell my boy.
You can see my screen. If you took it, you know what's funny, right? Can you see my webcam? There's a massive TV screen behind me with my screen on. And he's like, oh, what are you trading? It's like, it's clear, it's on my screen. You can see it.
It's on my screen.
Right, you see GPJPY is dropping. Hold on, GPJPY. I haven't got GPJPY on this chart. What account am I on? Oh, okay, funded account. Okay, GJJY. DJ. Loading up. In. I'm going to fire off. Oh, I ain't doing a trade yet. I'm waiting for the MACD to go overboard.
Yeah, I'll just set mine up.
Who's just took a trade? It just went boom. Well, it's too early, that is. Jesus Christ. So, Mark, can I ask you a question? Who's taking trades right now on GJ?
GJ.
I can hear something going pew pew.
What is it, GJ? Oh.
Yeah, that's me. I'm not taking trade. I'm
what are you
taking
trading?
Trade on gold.
What are you trading? Are you trading gold?
Yeah.
Can I ask you? You didn't ask me for permission, Mark. You have to ask permission for me to trade gold.
Why?
Because gold's mine.
What? Do you buy or not selling?
I own gold. Oh crap!
I'm just taking. I'm going to sell it in a minute, but I just saying if I can do a cheeky little
a quickie.
Buy.
You're going for a quickie.
I think he's insane buying that.
You're buying it?
Yeah, just a quick one.
You're
I'm
nuts.
just going to try and get.
Well, I just sold GJ. I've just sold GJ. Oh no!
Actually.
Oh no! Got to log into different accounts, mate. Stop, Mark! Stop doing that.
I just got out of that. That was stupid.
How much you make?
I only made about $10. I just think it's going to move the other way. I just went back the other way.
Okay, so I'm up. Right, so I'm going to write off Euro CAD. So this is my current profit. Look. Hold on. Oh, mate, Euro CAD. There you go. See that? You see that, don't you? So Euro CAD, I'm dropping out in profit. This is dropping hard, and I'm now up on GJ. So bloody hell, GJ is dropping hard, mate. Bloody hell.
Yeah. Okay.
You in GJ as well?
Yeah.
Oh my god, bloody hell! Hold on, I can't multitask, man. I literally can't multitask.
Are you selling?
Oh, that's absolutely.
It's melting, mate. Do you know what I mean? You know what happened?
Oh, no.
Is they thought, damn it, Jamie's selling. I better sell. I better move the market in Jamie's favour, or else I'll get into trouble.
It's a blue.
It's a blue. That's what I said.
Blue.
Where is it blue?
Mark doesn't have blues. Oh,
So
by
how
the way.
come you're doing the live stream?
Huh?
What's it about? How come you're live streaming or you do this?
No particular
Do it all the
reason.
time.
Just well, if you want to know how it came to position. What's the word? Position. Forget it. Anyway, so basically, Ruth, my wife, has a work party down in London.
So we thought we'd have our own party.
And I thought, okay, well, I'll have my own party then. So I asked Michael if he wants to do a live stream. He said, yeah, I'm up for that. Let's have a live stream. And here we are right now. You, me, Ryan, and the 1 second guy. This guy, he trades 1 second time frames. Can you trade the 1 second time frame, Mark?
No.
Yeah.
Well, this guy can, and he's a genius at it.
He's a master.
He doesn't say a lot of words, but when he does speak, he's a man of wisdom.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's fast. Faster than his
Yeah, you can't understand. He's that quick, mate.
I wouldn't even try it in Australia. The internet, absolute rubbish.
Yeah, I can't trade the 1 second time frames, mate.
Nah.
The trade would be long gone.
Mate, I've got I'm just going to move my stop loss to 8
Look.
pips. Oh no, my price has gone against me. Oh no, I'm still in profit. Nice, look, see. Just to show people. Hold on. Look. So, my question to... Oh no, I'm down mine. Oh, I'm up, I'm minus, I'm down, I'm minus. Anyway, my question to you, Mark. What would you say to yourself if you were first starting out on trading? What bit of advice would you give to yourself 5-6 years ago?
The best advice I would have given myself when I first started was go buy Bitcoin.
Go for 5 pips.
No, go and buy Bitcoin.
Oh, obviously go and buy Bitcoin. Yeah, but don't get married and don't buy Bitcoin.
Yeah, well, the marriage thing didn't work out. I'm not saying it does. It's not a good thing, but it wasn't for me.
Yeah, I'm with you. So basically buy Bitcoin and that is it. But we're not talking about Bitcoin. We're talking about trading.
Well, I would just say that you've got to be patient. You've got to do your homework. I mean, I watched a hell of a lot of videos and read a lot of books and made a lot of mistakes. I wrote down a lot of stuff, but I've got exercise books full in my writing that, me saying I'm a dickhead and did wrong and whatever. But it's you've got to get if I could have got into this group when I started.
Yeah.
I know the group has generated a lot of change over the years, and you've changed the way you do things and whatever. But you've got to get yourself into a good group of people that will help each other. Understand it. Sometimes people need just to vent about their bullcrap and clear their heads. And I just think it's very difficult to do trading on your own. You need some people around support.
Yeah, I agree with that 1,000%. I mean, if I'm being totally honest with you, and this is probably coming from my heart, I think if it wasn't for the BD, I would struggle a lot in life because trading's there's no value in it. So it's like, what do you gain from trading? Nothing. It's a load of money, it's a load of numbers, and that's it. Like, you don't meet people, there's no friendship, you're trading on your own. It's just lonely, man. It's just a mental battle. And to actually...
you battle with your own head a lot. I mean, you say you make money, but a lot of people don't, but they can see the potential. So they need encouragement.
They need to see how it's done.
I used to contribute so much to. I mean, look at Michael. Michael with the modular system, and back in the days, people who did the pullback and the bend strategy. Made that on, but that you've had you've made a community that lasted a very long time, almost a decade now. So
Somebody's asked a question. Give me a second here.
what?
Someone says, does Mark still stack his trades and any others do the same? What are the advantages of doing that?
Well, the reason I do it is I can do small pip sizes, but that's still large results like what Michael just did with 2R. So I can get a similar amount of money and just get in and out, without having to wait for the 2R.
Yeah, and I agree
That's
with
the only
that.
reason.
That's more of the binary, though, isn't it?
Yeah, I still, like I said, there's a lot of bad habits still with the binary. So
Yeah, I agree. With
I've
that.
never said I'm a good. I've got a knack for money from trading, but I don't think I'm a good technical trader.
So let me start that again. So you would say you're not a good trader?
Not a technical trader. I don't think. I just seem to know how to make money from trading.
Yeah, well, I would say the same. It's funny actually because I don't. I think I'm a good trader. I definitely make. I make money. I'm definitely full time. Can I improve? Yes. And I would. Am I a good trader? I think I'm a good trader. Yeah, I would say I'm a good trader. I wouldn't say I'm perfect, but what is perfect? That's what I'm saying. Do you know what I mean?
I'm talking about the definition of what people who understand all the fundamentals with the trading.
Yeah.
Doing the way I don't do it.
Hold on, someone's just asked me a question. Chris Bond, Jamie, is it one only the first and second pull? You can listen when you're trading the Mogwai Versal. You can take any pullback. You don't have to take the first.
Yeah, but our highest probability winning.
Yeah. But you see, my job is to teach you to make money, right? So I'm always going to teach you the highest probability winning trade. You can take any trade you want. Like, it's up to you. I can't govern you on what you do. I can only teach you on what I do and how I make my money. If you want to listen to it, that's fine. If you don't, it's up to you. How much has trading changed your life? And what's your best memory with it? And what's your worst? I'm going to ask Mark that, and I'll ask Mogwai afterwards. So, Mark, I'll ask Ryan as well.
Ryan's still
What's
in
my
the-
best memory?
I wish.
Yeah, so someone's asked me, well, they'll ask everyone. How much has trading changed your life, and what is your best memory and worst memory?
All right, well, changed my life. Well, it's completely changed my life. I mean, I've got 11 houses.
11.
And
Yeah, but they're only made in wood.
Yeah, and you live on your own, mate.
no, I don't. I've got 2 of my kids here.
One of your kids lives in one of your kids live in the UK.
No, not anymore. Come on.
Oh.
I'm not surprised, mate. You've got 11 houses. You can give.
And what else? Best memory was my first million.
Yeah.
And yeah, that would be my best memory.
And your worst memory?
Well, when I got hacked.
No way.
Oh. And Ryan, you.
To be honest, I've only been doing it.
You what?
He's only been doing it 3 weeks.
I've only
I've passed longer than he's done it.
I haven't made any money.
Well, it's quite just say your best memory was joining the BD.
Meeting me in the gym.
What about the 1 minute guy?
1 minute. 1 second.
1 second.
My bad experience?
Yeah, your best experience and worst experience.
It's I mean, it's the same because right now I'm still working and I still have to go through life without think about money and all these kind of things.
Yeah.
So I think the worst is now, and also the good, because it's very difficult. I commit 1 year before to trade every single day for 1 year, and it's a hell. It's very difficult, and in the same time amazing, because in the summer I make very good money, and I had the best holidays ever, man. I mean, me, my friends, my family, everybody had the best fun. From trading.
Yeah.
From on my phone. 100%.
That's good then. And Mogwai,
Yeah.
your turn.
The worst has got to be
Me.
crashing. No, honestly, the worst experience is the lostness of. There was no community like we got. There was no one that says this is how we do it and live. No one says come and join and trade with us. Everyone says do this video, do that video.
Yeah.
And it's all rubbish. We're the only ones that do it live.
Well, I know we are.
And my best memory was when I did, during COVID, I trade and I cleared 30% of my account, which was 15,000 in 1 month. And I did my van up and I went on holiday when I was allowed out from COVID. But when you clear that much money and you hit those targets, and I actually filmed the results on my phone and I've still got them now, and it was just that moment that you realise it's not a game. You know what I mean? It's literally,
you can change your life.
It is phenomenal.
Yeah.
15,000 in 1 month. Most people earn that in nearly a year.
Yeah, I agree.
So yeah, that's probably my height, and also you get to spend it on family and friends and enjoy life.
That's true.
Like us two here now, sat next to each other.
Yeah.
Battling away.
Yeah, that's it. Who's the best? Right. What's my best time and worst time? Okay. I think trading is a constant battle. If you want my honest opinion, I think you're never satisfied. You're always chasing for more.
Yeah.
You always you can earn X amount of money, but you want more. You can always have a higher win ratio. You can hold your trades for longer. You're always chasing for more. So I'm like that. I'm very driven. So like my best times are probably winning trades, having money, enjoying life, that sort of thing. I don't really look at the worst and bad. I just think that's part of the journey, right? You can't have positive without negatives and vice versa, right? You get good times, you get bad times.
Yeah.
You brace the winners and you go, wow, I made so much money, and then you have your losing days and you think, oh my god, I lost so much money. It's part of being a trader. So I don't really look at trading like that. What's my best and worst days? Because you have to accept it, right? If you have a bad day on the charts and your plan is to scale up, you're going to get worse days. If you're losing 10 grand in a day and your objectives to make £1 million a month, you're going to have bigger losses in a day.
Yeah.
So there's no point looking at that. It's just, as long as you've got a goal and you want to be like, right, this is where I want to go to, keep going. You get your bad days and your good days, and it doesn't matter where you are with your trading, your good days will get better and your good days will get worse. Period. That's how it is. And that's how I tend to look at it.
I look at trading as a business. Use the losses as part of the business expense.
Yeah, definitely. 100%.
Yeah, I agree.
And also, Mark,
and that's the one thing. Sorry, go on.
That's right. I was saying everyone wants to learn this in 4 to 6 months, and I say that the job of this is equivalent to people learning a trade or becoming a doctor or a nurse or electrician, plumber. All them jobs are 4 years plus. So why do you think you can walk in here and learn this in 2 to 6 months?
I said the exact same thing, Michael. I go, does the doctor just decide one day to be a doctor and all of a sudden he's operating? No, he goes to school and he does a rest.
Yeah.
You know? You just can't pick up this in 5 months, I don't reckon. Not unless you're a computer.
I've had people say they have, but they've never managed to show me.
Yeah.
You know, they're very good at showing me their 1 day of good, but not their 6 months to a year of good.
Yeah, well, people say to me, like, I was showing a few people the other day some bad losses and they just went, and how did you react to that? I said, no different than for one. I mean, last week I lost 2 trades of over 25,000, but I don't look at it. I look at the end of the month.
Yeah, exactly. End of the month. Yeah, exactly. And if you was running a business, you got fuel, you got overheads, you got staff, you got materials. So if you make, 20 grand in a month as a business, you're going to lose 5-6 grand on overheads, and then another month you might have a dry patch at Christmas where you didn't make any money.
And that's what I try to explain to people about if I go 5 days without trading, but then I make it in 1 or 2 days, then that's all that matters to me.
Yeah, exactly. Mate, you got to just isolate yourself though from everyone and just do you. And that's it.
Well, that's one of the reasons why I stopped with the videos that I've done. Jamie sort of suggested a while back to stop everyone hassling me, and I get a lot of mixed reaction. If Franco is something that
I'm about to take a loss, mate.
And, it's not for everybody. It's some people are alright from the feedback we've got, but it's. I just do it because for me, that Franco chart is very simple. Yeah.
Yeah, 100%, mate, 100%. But
I'm out. Hold on, stop. I'm out on GJ as a loss. Sorry, guys. I'm out on GJ.
Yeah, I'm out on that as well.
So Ryan took it, that's why I lost.
Ryan, did you take that?
I know.
Oh, Ryan.
I did.
Every time. There's a roll of...
Oh, well, that's good. At least it shows that just shows live that you lose.
Yeah.
Right, you've got a double bottom, a higher high, a higher low, and you sell that.
I'm out.
Jamie said sell, so I sold.
No,
but I should have done the opposite of you, mate.
But you didn't do bloody UJ, did you?
Jamie says sell, I sell. You say sell, I sell. This how it
You
works.
didn't hold it, did you?
Well, I still made some money.
Yeah, you're going to make more if you
Right, I'm going back to gold, mate.
Listen, we don't do FOMO around here, my boy. We don't do FOMO.
I just took one more.
We banned FOMO. End of.
Let me just answer some questions because everybody's asking me. Jamie,
I've got to shoot. Jamie, so I'm going to shoot off now.
Okay, cheers, Ryan. I'll see you tomorrow, yeah?
Yeah, see you tomorrow. See you later, guys.
Take care, mate. Bye.
Cheers. Bye.
Sorry.
Mark, are you closing off again?
Mark, what are you taking?
I just took another trade.
On what?
On what?
On gold.
What?
I'll buy or sell?
No, buy. It's still going up, mate.
Well, I'm just going to say, buy there. You're buying there.
He's on crack.
Well, I'll buy too. I'll buy there.
Don't you buy.
Uh,
Don't you buy.
Don't do it.
I'm on Renko, mate, and on high bricks.
Dude, that's a bad place.
I know it's a bad place. That's a really bad place to buy, Mark, but whatever. I'm not buying that. I'm not even going to buy that. It's way overboard.
Yeah. Someone says, any guys there done any type of psychology training courses?
Hold on, let me reply to which is the best.
Well, I made $2,000, so.
Well, imagine if you haven't like me, Mark, you'd be a millionaire again.
He would be a good man to Any guys? Yes. Sorry, it's funny actually.
So
Sorry.
get money and then lose money.
Yeah. Sorry. So
I can't hang on to it.
there's a guy. I have a webinar with a guy named Nick. You know Nick. Everyone knows Nick.
Nick. We love Nick.
He actually has. He stopped taking trades, Mark. What are you taking trades on?
I just closed it.
In profit.
Yeah, $20-$30 that one.
I said about 2 sentences, mate. You made $30 in 2 sentences.
I made also.
What? And what? Gold?
I took 2 trades already.
Gold's going up, mate.
I took this one.
Yeah, but I'm entering gold late. I can't enter gold, man.
Yeah, I know, man.
You don't know, do you, man?
It will hit the 5.
Gold's flying up, man. Oh my
Yeah.
god.
Yeah.
Oh, Jamie, oh, what are you doing?
What gold?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Right, I'm gonna have to
to
find a trade to get my loss back because I've just had a loss and I'm like not happy about it. I need to revenge trade. I mean, obviously I'm not saying that.
No,
That's
you
bad.
don't do that.
That's bad. You don't do that.
And since I took my first trade, Jamie, gold's gone up 700 pips.
Yes. Okay. So just look at my charts. Look where I bought gold about 2 hours ago. There at that blue alert. That's where I bought gold.
Mate, you'll be a millionaire.
So if you like, oh yeah, I've just bought gold and I got 1 block. I rode the entire trend. I just closed early. He took more trades, didn't he? Look at him, he's straight in there.
He's like a ninja.
He's not even there, mate. Look, he's gone to the toilet.
He's like Pac-Man.
Pac-Man.
Yeah, but
I haven't
with
got any penny.
what are they? Pac-Man with a
Oh, man.
There you go.
Where's Roy? Oh, get Roy in it. Come on.
Right, where's Roy?
I think.
Roy's not here, is he?
Yeah, he's been asking to come in for 2 hours.
I kicked him out, didn't I?
Why?
Where's Roy? Roy's not even in the group chat.
Give me a look.
Oh, yeah, he is. Hold on. That's a loop, you idiot.
Did you join?
Yeah, he is. I can see him. Let me have a minute.
Ah,
Right
man,
here for
good
60
enough.
minutes, you idiots. He's so rude, don't let him in. I'm gonna have to-
Alright, what? I'm adding you in. I'm adding Roy in, the creator of the Mogul. Are you there?
You should ask Michael about how he come to make the Mogul.
Yeah,
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can. There's no point, Mark, there's no point asking him, mate. He doesn't know himself how he created it.
Oh, okay.
He literally just, what he did is basically he had the Mogwai arrows and then he turned his laptop upside down and then he created the Mogwai reversal. That's how it was.
Oh, okay.
And that was it. That's how we call it Mogwai reversal because it's the opposite of Mogwai. It's called Mogwai reversal.
Yeah, but what about when he made the Mogul?
I don't know. You have to ask him on Mogwai. But that's how he created Mogwai reversal. He was losing all the time on Mogwai. So he thought, you know what, if I turn my computer screen upside down, I'm now winning. So I don't know. Ask him. How did you create the Mogwai strategy?
What, the original? Or
Well, both of them. How did you create both the strategy?
Well, we did the I said this earlier. We did the BD, yeah?
Yeah.
And then you had the overstretched signals. That's what it was. When price went way overbought or oversold.
Yeah.
That was when it popped the Mogwai. But then when we saw it trending and you saw all these sells and it lost and lost and lost and lost,
Yeah.
then we reversed the
Yeah,
arrow.
yeah, I'm with you.
Therefore then giving us Mogwai, which now, because don't forget when we did Mogwai, you have to wait for support and resistance times.
Yeah, that was the tough bit.
Yeah, and then it was quite, a lot of people arguing what they class as a support and resistance.
Yeah, yeah. What time frame,
Yeah.
etc. Yeah.
So Mogwai is literally it's going up, you wait for the pullback, you buy it. End off.
And where's the blue alerts come from?
That's the higher time frame.
Yeah, so basically Blue Alerts was me and Roy. So basically I I was trading Mogwai reversal, right? And I realised that if the MACD was in our favour, so when we trade the 1 minute, right, if on the 5 minute the MACD was oversold, I was like, it's very high probability that the 1 minute would go up, right? That makes sense, okay? So I asked Roy, I said, listen, when the MACD goes oversold on the whatever, 5 minute, 1 hour, whatever time frame you want to pick, can it give me an alert on the time frame that I'm trading on? So let's say the 1 minute. So can I set it so when the 15 minute MACD goes oversold, the 1 minute will give me an alert? And we ended up, and Roy created it, and he created it, and he decided to create these blue alerts. And then we did some back testing. I'm like, I don't know what you've created, mate, but these blue alerts are good. And that is it. And then one of the BD members started trading the blue alerts and started making money with it. And he's like, all I do is the blue alerts. And then that's it. It kind of like, that created this kind of like chain of people jumping on board with it. And that's where we are now. Like, I trade the blue alerts at London Open. I got funded. I'm now funded with just taking blue alerts. You can see it on my screen. Just taking blue alerts. That's all I do. And I really, and it's like, I don't know why it works or how it works. You just take the trade and it works.
Jamie.
Yeah?
Jamie, so I remember you were messaging me and asking for building a higher time frame alert, you know?
Yeah.
And we tested it out, and it was instant perfect. And then I had on the chart, I had like one normal alert and one had a diamond or something in it, I don't know. And then I'm like, okay, let's just change the color and make it blue. So now the whole blue alerts is just a big thing. Everybody's talking about the blue alerts, and it works so well because you have a higher time frame confirmation. I think that makes sense.
Yeah, and I agree. I think the reason why I did that is because a lot of people couldn't hold their trades, and I said they wanted to check higher time frames, and I said, well, you don't need higher time frames, but we added it in, and I don't know what you kind of created, Roy, but it was like you just kind of, I gave you what I wanted to do, and you did it, and that was it. It was just like boom. It's just worked.
Yeah.
And that's kind of like how it's happened. Like, people have jumped on board. They've traded it with futures, and they've like me with London Open. I never expected where I would just take the first blue alert after London Open. I passed prop firm challenge first time with London Open, phase 1, phase 2. I'm now funded. I've now made enough money to make a withdrawal. I'm obviously doing another funded account, taking the blue alerts on gold, which you can see on my screen in front of me, and like that is it. Like, I just take the blue alert as long as it's consistent, as in, you know, you're taking blue alerts on gold on this time frame with this stop loss. It works. It doesn't work, and I say to people, it doesn't work when you're trying to do it on like 10 currency pairs, because what you end up happening is, let's say you have an 80% win ratio, or 90%, let's call it 90%, right? If you have a 90% win ratio, hang on, I've got a blue alert, hold on, gotta take a trade. On gold, I've got another, I've got buying gold. I've got to buy gold, mate, I'm buying gold.
Don't do it.
I've got to follow my rules.
The echo. Oh, people worrying about the echo again.
Hold on. Is there an echo?
Jamie, by the way.
Huh?
By the way, did I tell you that I passed my 100k account just now?
You passed a 100k account?
Oh, sunset.
Yeah, just today.
That's good.
FCMO. Very good. Very happy. The markets were crazy, man. Gold and Nasdaq, it was madness.
Hold on. Just
Nederlanders, bro.
audio.
Best Nederlanders in the world. Traders.
Yeah.
Ik spreek ook Nederlands,
Right, I
man.
think I fixed the echo.
Jamie, I think we need a big trading office
By the way, trade.
where everyone can not.
I think I fixed
I think I will
Can
close
you
it.
double check? Can double check that I fixed the alert or the sound? Anybody? Hear me, Roy. Is Mark still there? Has Mark disappeared?
I think Mark's going to sleep.
Oh, let me. Mark, you still there?
No. No, I don't think you can hear me.
Yes.
No, I can't hear you at all, Mark.
No,
absolutely
Mark.
not. No, I don't want about Mark.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, who said that? Christ. Anyway, so yeah, so blue alerts, and that's where we are. A lot of people have reached out to me and they said I'm funded with blue alerts. Again, I don't know, like it never kind of like, but this is the.
Do you want me to tell you why the blue alerts out of anything are working?
Well, I know why they work. It's just I never expected it to work.
Why everyone?
Okay.
When
yeah,
they do the mod by R,
yeah.
there's so many rules around it. Is it first, third, second pullback? Does it meet structures? Is it broken the previous high?
Yeah.
Low. When you get a blue,
It's just a
there's
blue.
no rules.
It's
You
just
fucking go in.
It's just a blue.
So, if you did that with anything you thought that was a mod by R, you'd still be earning money.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah,
because
right.
look at you.
And
Look at
that's
your price of gold that
that's
high.
Yeah, mate.
What's that, Mark?
You know how everyone just wants some magic arrow. You just push a button on the
Yeah, but
magic
the
arrow.
blues make it
Can I just
so clear.
right, if I just make Mark bigger, does he look like he's wearing a plant pot on his head? Mark, sorry, what's going on? I can't put it on there. You look like you're wearing a plant pot on your head, man.
That's brilliant. You look, is it Amish?
Right, sorry, man.
Hey, let me get a photo.
It's just, he's gone now. He's gone. He's had to sit up. What is that in the background? Is it some kind of corner?
It's part of my surround sound.
It looked like you're wearing like a little Tom Baller hat.
Oh, don't.
What's Roy doing? Roy's one second, guys, just staring. Roy is, I don't know.
Can I share my screen?
Yeah, you can share your screen, bro. Send me the link and I'll post it.
Mogwai, check this one. I just got it in.
Hold on. Right, hold on. Let me just. I'm gonna share Roy's screen. Give me everyone.
This one.
Which one?
While you're doing that, Jamie, I gotta get it. I want to answer to a question so I can tell people when they contact me. The blue alert's coming to C Trader or not?
Yes. Hopefully the end of this week.
Okay. Well, hopefully that answers a lot of questions.
Yes, it's coming hopefully this week. I'll get the files back tomorrow. I'll start testing it, and then we're rocking and rolling.
Okay. I'll let people know.
You up with that, yeah? Hold on, just so somebody wanted to share their screen, yeah? Is that you, Roy?
Yeah, just share. I did share it on the video chat. You can see it. It's my certificate from FTMO.
Everybody can see it. FTMO.
Are you going to get one of those plaques made, Roy? Have you seen them on Facebook?
I already got a few.
No.
Yeah, but you have to print. You can print it, but then you have to print it yourself. So, but I don't know where to put it.
No.
It doesn't really make sense, you know.
Whoa, stop. He did that on the 12th. He did that today.
Yeah, no.
I just passed my literally like 1 hour ago.
Doing what? Blue alerts?
Yeah, blue alerts and some scalping on the. Yeah, did you see the markets, Jamie? It's unbelievable.
Well, I know it's unbelievable. Bloody hell, man. I got funded literally like a couple of days ago and I'm up about 20% on my account. And today I bought a new prop firm account and I'm up another 5%. And now I'm up on gold. I know.
I am up Yeah, it's insane. Did you you have to maybe like show the certificate like for motivation?
Yeah,
Because
I know.
I just got it in like 5 minutes ago.
We need to get Mark on this. That's what we need to do. We need to get Mark on it.
I can't pass. I can pass, but I can't hang into the account because of the way I trade.
Yeah, Mark, you won't follow the consistency rule.
Yeah, come on, Mark.
Yeah,
you can do it, bro.
They keep knocking me down. I was talking to one guy about it the other day, and he says it's because you make 500 here or 1,000 there, and 5,000 and 2,000 and whatever, and they go to them it's not consistent trading.
Yeah, but it's not.
Yeah, I know.
But it works for you, so that's all that matters.
Yeah, I passed 3, and I haven't even lasted a week. The rest of them giving me the account. They kicked me out.
Who was that with? FTMO?
Yeah, that was one of them. The other one was FX2, and another one I can't remember who it was.
Oh, man. But you need to, man. You need to. It's weird, right? I'm going to tell you right now, it's weird. As someone who's, got money, it's when you go through a test to get funded and then you get funded, it's such a surreal experience because
I just wanted to do it to prove it that you could do it with my system, but I don't think you can.
No, you definitely can do it. You definitely can. I didn't think I could pass the prop firm challenge.
I mean, you can do it. I mean, like I said, 3 of them, but I just got to learn to try and just.
And I get that, but it's like a huge difference to like.
I've got to try and keep the trades the same.
Yeah. I get what you're saying, mate. Hold on, let me just mock my screen. This, where did I put Roy's?
Is Roy? What size account was that, mate? Oh, 100k.
It was a 100k account, so I got 100k funded, and I wanted to do another one. So this is the first phase. So I made 10%. And now I'm going. I already traded a new one. I already got the new credentials, so
you got
only need 5%, and then and then I will buy another 200k account, and then I'm a max allocated. So that's good. But I already got some payouts on my funded account. So with the next payout, I will get 20%. Bigger account size, because if you have it for 6-7 months, then they will increase the account size automatically.
Good, nice.
If that makes sense.
So do I?
Hey, what happened to your cards?
Hey,
I saw your video the other day when your door handle got stuck or something and broke off.
Oh, what icy markets?
No, on your car, you broke your door handle on your car. What was that about?
Yeah, well, I don't even ask. It's in the garage. I dropped it off at the garage, getting a new clutch on it. But I'm selling it at the minute. I was, I mean, me and that Lamborghini, mate. It's a nightmare, mate. It's just constantly problems with it, and the problems aren't cheap.
You don't have a lot of luck with it.
No, like literally, I swear to God, I was reversing it into my garage, and I opened the door to see where the garage door was, and I reversed as I'm like driving back. I opened the door as you normally do, looking in my rear view, because obviously in the Lambo you can't see out the rear view mirror because there is no mirror. So I'm opening the door and I look out, and it hits the fence and it rips the door handle off. And I spoke to the bloke today. I said, how much is it for, I was like, can you just replace the door handle? And he goes, yeah, it's about £1,000. I'm like, what? I'm like, it already needs a new clutch and tyres. So yeah, not expensive.
Well, you want to run with the big boys. You need to understand that, don't you?
Yeah, I know. My gold trade, man, is doing.
I would never buy cars.
Why you told me to buy gold, man? My gold's doing my head in.
I told you not to do gold, didn't I? I did say.
Yeah, I know you did, man.
Mark, he needs to stick to a Volkswagen transporter.
No, I think gold's going to pull back, man. I think gold's pulling back.
No.
Guys, can you hear me? I just want to say thank you for everyone being on the live stream. I really now.
Are you going? Yeah.
I do think it's amazing. Everybody is killing it, so I need to go. So we'll be in touch tomorrow, trading again. So have a great evening.
Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, Roy. Take care.
Cheers, Roy.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
How do I, are you going as well, Mark?
No.
Oh.
I've got to be up soon anyway.
Yeah, well, I'll leave it. I'll leave
later.
it another 5 minutes. I mean, your gold trade's stopping me out, mate. It's doing my head in.
I'm already out of that, mate.
You told me to buy it. Ouch.
Yeah, but you're not me.
Right,
You shouldn't
I'm
do what I
closing
do.
my prop firm account off at 10 quid loss. I'm not bothered about that. It's my personal account.
I'm waiting for an error to go the other way.
Why? What's the other way? What sells?
If I bought 2 blue G on gold today,
Yeah.
I'll be up about. I'll probably pass the challenge today.
Yeah. How are you getting on? Oh, Ryan's left. We're left with 1 second going. Yeah.
What about is Matt got?
Can I just add? What broker do you use? Mark.
Mark.
I'm on Pepperstone now.
Pepperstone. Pepperstone have ridiculously high spreads, man.
Yeah, but they're an Australian broker, and I had issues with IC markets, and I'm still having it. So. I also have an account with Vantage.
Hold on, Emma's just messaged me. Hey, Jamie, my Austin.
That's right, I booked you in, Jamie. I booked you in. You're done.
Can he pick you up from school? Yeah, I can pick. Listen, I can pick you up from school. That's no issue.
Not Emma, her nephew.
Yeah, that's fine. I don't mind doing that,
I
man.
think Emma wants picking up.
This does. Yeah, 100k funded. Is it 100k funded? Roy, congratulations. Can I ask you a question, Mogwai?
Go.
No. Michael. Mark.
What is it?
What was the trades? What were the questions people were asking me earlier? If Maury was arrested, if
what?
If a trade was a relationship.
Oh God! Didn't you write it down?
Yeah, no, I wrote down the names.
If a trade is a relationship, yeah, but you should have wrote the question.
No, let me just think. I'm trying to ask you.
One of them was if it was on Tinder with his what percentage of trades would he swipe left and right?
Yeah.
Does he even know what Tinder is?
I know, Mark.
Yeah, mate.
On what trades would you take? Would you regret taking? Like, do you ever regret taking any trades?
Oh, I've regret taking heaps of different trades.
Really?
Yeah, I've taken trades and then I've gone, what did I do? That's not going to win. Lose money on that. But lately, I've told you in the past that I've put up and gone to the toilet and come back and so much that I've got to get out of it. So sometimes I go, I should put stop losses in, but I still don't do it. My way is to do it. That's why I say I'm not a very good player.
Bloody hell, man! I'm out on gold, man. That was a hard loss on gold, mate.
Was it?
Well, like I said, you trade candlesticks, I trade Renko, so it's different.
I've just took a 1,200 quid loss, mate, on gold. Look.
Yeah, and I'm in a seller that's killing it.
I can't see. Hold on, just to show everyone, I'm on I just took a massive loss on gold.
No, I just made another $2,000.
I'm still at 4 grand. I just took a loss on gold.
I'm selling that again.
Ah, Mark, you little bugger, ain't ya? Why are you taking gold? There's no cells. I can't see cells.
Sales are
That's because you're not on Renko.
Well, I'm going to take a sell on Euro USD when it gives me that second pullback.
Yeah, that's a good one. Double top, run out of fucking exhaustion, time of night. We can bank on that
One last trade, and then we're going to close it down. Yeah.
Me for our champion again for the third time
Oh
running.
yeah, right. What?
There's another foul.
Hold on. Emma's asked me a question. Jamie, here's now bouncing around. Listen. I don't mind taking your son out or your friend out in the lumber. There's no issue at all. I've got no issue with that.
You know what Emma that is, didn't you?
I know what Emma does.
Nightmare.
No.
She's not a nightmare.
She's like handed the flame to.
Yes,
light.
I know. I had a webinar of her. I spent hours with her.
with
She's
you.
like, oh yeah. I was like, no, that's exactly what I didn't say to do.
Yeah.
That one.
And then I collected all the photos that she didn't show you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, I feel gold.
I really want to make
Gold.
some money on gold, man. I
Gold's
really do.
I'm telling you now, that's going to fill that order
What?
on gold.
Yeah, but
Telling you.
okay. So gold's gonna pull back.
Mm-mm. We need to get a blue or a double ball.
Yeah.
Okay.
Every time, mate.
Jamie's had too much to drink.
Right, there's the. 1 minute, everyone.
Jamie's had a bit of an accident.
I sent you a screenshot, Dan,
You saying what?
of my trade split up this time. Because I don't know how to show you on the screen.
Hey?
Send it on. Is it got Telegram?
Who?
Mark.
No, Mike doesn't do Telegram.
Yeah, I just sent you a screenshot of my trade.
Of your trade?
Yeah, the ones that I've just done.
All right, hold on. Let me have a look. Sorry.
No, he's not. I spent 12 years in the army, and I'll never get my hair short again. Oh, geez, if that was the case, I'd never cut it. I just sent it to you in Messenger. I just sent you a screenshot. Yeah.
Guys, I will also leave. Speaking everybody.
Yeah, I just sent you a screenshot in your post in your Messenger. Oh, all right. Yes, but I just did a screenshot and just sent him a picture of it. About 3.5. Yeah, and a 50-something account. I never told you that. I said I'm buying gold. Well, when I was like buying it, it was going mental. All right. Well, check's in the moment. Yeah. Well, when we were in America together, I was going to fly down to see her, and you didn't want to do it.
Yeah. Right. Sorry,
gonna-
I'm here.
Yeah, you're.
Well, it's not good enough. It's honestly not good enough,
Gotta
mate.
Plot. Right, Jamie.
Yeah.
Is it Jamie using 15 seconds to the 1 minute higher time frame to trade the pairs, or a 15 seconds for 15-minute time frame, higher time frame? So what's yours?
Is Jamie using 15-second 1 minute to trade the pairs, or okay? So 15-second and 1 minute on gold, and 15-second and 15-minute on currency pairs.
There you go.
Cheers, mate. Thanks, Jamie just closed 90% BTC short on my demo account. That's amazing. Happy man. We're gonna take one more trade, and then we're gonna be done.
Sell.
And then what we're gonna do, we're all gonna raise some money so Mark can have a haircut.
I don't need to have a haircut.
What's your plans for today anyway? It's like 5 in the morning for you.
Yeah. And I'll probably get in to the swimming pools for a little bit, and
What, outdoors or indoors?
No, it's outdoor.
So it's summer. It's summer over there, yeah.
No, it's not yet. It's late spring, but it's getting good. And I'll take the dog for a walk, and then I'll go and have a sleep.
Can I just ask a genuine question?
To who?
To you.
Yeah, what?
So you're full-time trader, yeah?
Yep.
So obviously, apart from trading, what else do you do? So obviously, I run the BD. So when I get up every day, I've got emails, YouTube videos to make. What does you, as a full-time...
I volunteer.
Hey? Say that again.
I do a lot of volunteer work with children.
Okay, that's respectful. In what sense? Like what, disabled or?
No, just there's a lot of schools over here that don't have enough teachers, and I have I'm like a teacher's assistant. I'll go into school and I'll do whatever the teachers need. Sit down with kids and help them with listen to the kids read or whatever is needed. Okay. I've stood on the crossing out the front like a lollipop person. I go on excursions when they haven't got enough teachers.
Oh, that's good, man. Fair play to you.
I spend a lot of time with grandchildren.
How are you getting on with the charity work with the
charities? I have to do a call out to every single person who bought the videos.
Yeah.
I want to thank you very much because there's been a lot of charities that have got a lot of money. Because I send the exact same money that people pay for the videos. So some of the charities that I've given to have been Royal Children's Hospital, the Starlight Foundation, WWF, as in Wildlife Foundation, the koalas here in Australia and tigers in Asia, the Flying Doctor Service. So yeah, I very, very, very grateful and humbled that many people are interested in what I do.
Oh, that's nice. Right, just to confirm to everyone, we're going to do 15 minutes and then we're going to disappear. So 15 minutes and then disappear. I'm trying to find a setup that we can take. I'm just going to give you an update on my trading results. I will go over to the other camera and I'll show you.
No, your gold might have, you mightn't, it's too early.
Those are
Going back
my
up.
results for the day. 4 grand, obviously gold was the last, GJ was the last, but
Your gold trade might have won.
Fantastic. So 4 grand on my mainline account. This is my prop firm account. I started this about 2 hours ago. 25 grand deposit. It's now up. 25 grand. It's now up. As you can see there. Hold on.
How much is that up?
80 quid. It's up 80 quid.
And mark-wise, one trade of the day, making it the champion.
What you up?
203 quid on the 20k account. One trade takes the championship.
So you took one trade on that fucking account?
And a villager. Mark White wins again! You'll never beat the Mark White.
Yeah, but
It's
debatable. I've took more trades.
It's not about profit, it's
Who's
not
won
about
that, Mark?
It's quality. Mark,
Mark's disappeared. Look, it's literally Mark.
you go.
No, he's gone. Look, it's just him and his
Hello?
little. Oh, Mark, who's won?
Sorry?
Who won?
Won what?
So I took more trades, but oh, forget it. You've obviously won.
Thank you. Moving on.
Less trades, more profit.
Yeah.
From this, what I can see here is much better to trade in a group than by yourself. Obviously, obviously, you know, I mean, if you're going to trade full time, you need to be with people.
Friends.
Like friends. Who wants to trade on their own?
Yeah. Well, we got a number of groups we trade in. The best one's the 50 people one.
Well, obviously, yeah.
That's like a nice little.
Yeah.
All on the same page. All on the community. Moving
Yeah.
I can't believe how many groups we've got in Telegram.
We have a lot of members, mate. A lot of members. And we have a lot of members that don't want to be in the Telegram group. They're just kind of like, want to do their own thing. It's like but you're not in the Telegram group though, are you?
I am now. I don't do a lot in there. I go in there and make sure if all the videos are sorted out. I correct some people when they say something on my behalf. It's happened a few times. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Has anyone got any questions? So has anyone got any questions or anything like that? I've got, just to give you an update on everybody. Oh shit now. Sorry. I put out there on my YouTube channel on Tuesday somebody to ask me a question, and if it was the most randomest question, I would buy them a prop firm account. I have 2 people written down, the Green King Viking and Mini 002. So I'll be reaching out to them.
He's a legend.
And
questions.
They were
I'll find them.
they were really good
hilarious.
questions, Mark. They were things like, I don't know, like if trading was your girlfriend, what, I don't know, I can't remember, like what would you not like about them or something.
No, the best one was the Tinder.
Oh yeah.
When you swipe left or right on your trade.
Yeah. Let me ask you a question, Mark. If you could marry a trade, which one would it be?
Or a pair. What's your golden pair, Mark?
Yeah. What's your
Right now, I only trade gold.
You only trade gold?
I used to hate gold. Yeah, I used to not trade gold at all. I stayed away from it, but now I literally only have gold on my chart.
So you would marry gold then, yeah?
Right now, I would.
Right. You still there, yeah?
To see what happens.
Oh, let me
In a
just
couple.
mute the Telegram group because I think it's freezing. You still there, yeah?
Yeah. I'm gonna go now because the internet. Yeah, I'm gonna go because it's getting confusing. It's too echoey, and
All right, I'll catch up with you tomorrow then,
I'll
Mark.
talk to you I'll talk to you another.
All right, Mark. Take
Yeah,
care.
no worries. One thing I would
Yeah.
say, Joe, Jamie,
Yeah, what's that?
do a live stream every week. I think.
What are you asking?
I think you should do this every week, once a week.
I think
Do
you
a
should
live
play
stream.
us.
Yeah, Mark, I can't do this every week, mate. I'll become an alcoholic.
Well, no one says you got to drink.
What?
What? How else am I supposed to trade? Do you know what I mean?
Sober?
Yeah, trade. I can't make decisions sober. Jesus Christ.
All right, go Aussies.
Go Aussies. Why don't you do a live
Cheers, all right,
stream? Why don't you do a live stream and we'll
Yeah,
join you?
The Ashes. Yeah, because you won't get out of bed, mate. And when I do live streams, you'll be in bed.
What time's your live stream? What time would you do it?
Oh, it depends.
At night,
Probably
yeah?
know what you're saying. It's just too messy. I'm going. Talk to you.
Alright, take care, Mark. Bye. Alright, Mark's gone, mate.
See you, Mark. Right, okay, so it's official. Mudwire, 2%. Jamie,
Yeah.
0.8%. Again, third time in a row. Like, I don't know. How about you start at 8 in the morning? I come in at 2 in the afternoon.
You ready
Give
to
you a
watch,
head
mate?
start.
So
Actually, you cheated as well today.
why?
You started at 12.
I started way ahead of you, yeah.
See? You can't doubt the Mogwai. He's just too good. You know,
No,
I've just deleted.
Right, 9 minutes left. Has anyone got any questions before we
10.
before we go?
9.
Aussie saying not drink. Low. Trading sober is like listening to PM on the radio. Yeah, I agree. What trade did Mogwai took? Should go show your trade. Go show your trade. So let me just put Mogwai screen on. There you go.
There you go. That was it. Let me hang on. Right, let's go back to the original trade. Hang on. Oh sugar. Right, hold up. Oh god. Right. 2 seconds. Let's do 54905. Input stop loss 54905. Hang on. 905. Okay. Right, so my stop loss was there. And then when the trade got to here, this level here, I moved my stop loss to break even and then let it roll. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Yeah.
Right, let me.
Yeah, most people would be happy with 0.8% a day. They would, but I made 2%, so I'm sure you'd be even more happy with 2%.
Yeah, most people would be happy with 0.8.
Yeah.
I mean, listen. I'd be happy with 1% a week. Literally, I'd be happy with 1%. That's 4% a month. Every trade looks better after. Can I come back next year, guys? Anis is here. Anis. No question, but thanks, guys. Great dive stream. Really thank you, everyone. Thank you for coming. Listen, thank you, everybody, for being here.
Yeah, and listening to our waffle.
Listening to us, just having a trade. Listen, it's no strings attached. We are here. We're having
this every day.
We have a trading session. We talk. We chat. We have a few drinks, and that is it. Like, we are just like every other person. We're just genuine people, right? I connected with Mogwai. And that's it. Like, it's just how it is.
We've got a GU blue. Do we take
what? Where's GU blue?
Now.
On a buy?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll take that.
That's terrible. Should we take it?
I'll take that.
Let's go.
We're gonna regret. Are you sure you want to take this?
Yeah, I'm so gonna regret this. I'm telling you.
Why?
And let me check my other screen. So bad. Oh, that is bad. That's a bad trade, Jamie. So,
Yeah, but I couldn't work something out actually.
right, so that would be.
Well, listen, man, I'm following you.
A 0.
Thank you, everyone.
What the hell size is that?
Well, I don't take GU blues. He's right at a resistance level. Like literally, I'm staring at it right now.
I know. Am I going to lose my fame?
Your fame?
Yeah, winning. I can't see anything on the screen. I can't see anything.
How can you not?
It says lot size. Well, one lot. Yeah, it's good. That drop.
Oh, mine's not blue.
Mine's blue.
That's a bad trade, mate.
That's so bad.
No, I'm getting out of that, mate.
Are you sure?
Let me look at 1 hour. Let me look at 1 hour.
That's really bad, isn't it?
Let me look at the 1 hour, mate. Hold on. I'll look at the 1 hour.
Do you reckon I should do a 10 lot buy?
What have I got? I'm not even joking. Look at my screen. How did that appear? How did that appear?
What?
Look.
My boy sucks.
I don't know how that appeared. It's just a...
mate, that's terrible. Whoever wrote that.
I'm seeing sells, mate. I'm not seeing buys at all. I'm not.
That. That's terrible.
I'm in the trade. I'm not seeing buys at all. I'm seeing sells.
Yeah,
absolutely seeing.
Running out of momentum.
I'm just seeing sells, mate.
Absolutely dying. Gold is just a kick in the fuck. Have you seen gold?
Yeah, it's gone back up, yeah.
What the hell?
I'm just seeing sells, mate.
Okay,
hold on, let me have a look at it. So you're on 5 minutes. What's 5 minutes? 5 minutes. I can see buys.
What, on GU5?
Bugger it, I'm in the trade. I'm in the trade, man.
You're in it?
Yeah, I'm in, well, obviously, I'm in it.
You know what? As you're in it...
You just seen that buy, didn't you? You seen a little pop and stuff.
The probably pop.
Pop, 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 pop.
Oh, let's go. I'm in. I'm done. Let's go!
But you've got... my signal's green.
Yeah, I know, but mine's blue.
Okay, put yours on then. Let me put yours on.
No, put my screen on. Right, let me tell
Because you've got IC markets, haven't you?
Yeah. There we go.
There you go, there you go.
Right, we're literally going tight as anything with this. Super tight. Partial.
Oh, someone said they made 3%.
From what? How? Obviously listening to me, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm up £4. Do I close?
Let's look at my prop firm.
Just what's the process?
It's
Gold. Oh, why don't we take gold? Oh man, just when you think gold's finished. GJ is messy, but come on. Why didn't I take that bloke? Oh, I was in with a UJ, that's why. Yeah, that down, that up. Come on, here we go. It's very quiet in here, isn't it? What's this quiet?
Why don't we play some music?
What,
I was trying to... Sorry, I got distracted with the Telegram group.
Phase 1 happy. Oh, well done.
What is Michael Austin win rate and average RR?
70.
Okay, so I'm going to answer that. So Michael Austin's RR is better than mine.
Yeah.
He only goes for 2R, nothing else. Period.
I've actually got.
My win ratio is going to be higher because I go for less profits. Actually, probably not.
No, my win rate is 76%.
Is that 72%?
No, obviously 72%.
Okay, well show the people that.
How do I show them that?
There's a camera
Oh.
there.
Yeah, here you go. There's my win rate. Can I see that?
72%.
Yeah.
I got it.
That's from 5%.
5%ers?
Yeah. On my 100k.
Oh, wow. And that's All from what, Mugger, Blue Alerts, and stuff like that?
I would say 60% blue, 40% Morgar.
That's good, man.
Banging. Like if I took gold today, oh mate, we'd be so rich.
Oh, yeah. Well, I'm seeing buys now on the 15 seconds. I'm going to take buys. I'm taking buys, mate. I'm taking buys on GU on my live account, which is 100 grand. Oh my fucking god. What are we on? GU.
Gee, it's very quiet, isn't it? Why is it so quiet?
Don't know.
It's so quiet. Shh. Oh, come on, GU. Well, that spiked up like a little. Come on. Oh, Jamie, what's that one?
Here's my golds.
Huh?
Here's my golds.
When did you get that?
I held it.
Oh my god, you lunatic.
And then I took
I bet you didn't hold it on a prop firm.
No, I took the loss on prop firm. But I had to, man, because I can't go in with a bigger lot size on my prop firm. So I'm closing them off here.
Yeah, you can. Go
and then so I've took
Okay.
that on my live account.
Oh, that's terrible.
Yeah, but I got in a better prop. I feel more happier because there's structure.
On what?
I can see on the 15 second. I'm looking at the same as you.
Yeah.
You can see the level of support.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Right, so if you want to copy my trades, it's at www.mogwiresignals.co.uk.
The Mamba FX.
Oh god, don't. Probably get done for copyright.
I know.
Come on, is my trade on? My screen on, yeah?
Gold blue alert incoming. Oh, don't start me off on gold blue alerts.
Gold.
I can't take any more gold blue alerts, mate. Oh my god, GU's flying up.
Let's
I'm happy
go,
with that.
GU. So I told you.
It just needs to break that high.
You can't mess with the blues, bro.
That's what I'm saying, man. Oh, no. What if
Are you hammered? I'm hammered.
Oh yeah? Well, we've got the whiskey left.
When we popping the whiskey?
No, rum and coke.
Yeah, when we popping that? Oh come on, GU. Oh, I love it. It's beautiful.
What's that? Oh mate, GU's flying up, bro. Mate, GU's flying up. 14% on my battery, and I'm up £2. £2. The Blue Brothers. Yeah, that's it. You know what? I don't even know how we ended up in this situation where we're trading Mod Reversal, Blue Alerts, and we make the money we do. I just.
Like, who the hell would buy GU?
Yeah, I'm just going with the flow.
We've got our rules. We've got to do what we've got to do.
What you got to do?
We are up again. Have we done a live stream where we shit out? I don't think we have.
No, I don't think we have.
3 live streams, 24.
Every single time we make money.
3 hours.
Every single time we make money. Every single time. We have 100% success ratio. Every live stream we do, we make money.
I do feel like
every live
I
stream.
do feel like we egg each other on to do that.
We push ourselves because this live stream was a bit like I've egged myself on. Like, oh, I've set a limit.
Yeah.
I'm like, I've got to push that. So think about the next live stream in December or whatever. But that's what it is. It's pushing ourselves on.
Making each other go, let's have it.
And people are like, oh, you don't make money from trading. Okay, go watch every live stream. Go watch the whole 12 hours, 24 hours, 3 hours.
Whatever hours.
That will tell you if I make money. Because I made money in every single one of them. You know, people are like, oh, I've got 8% win ratio. So, like, even if you did 10 live streams and you had 8 of them you made money, 2 of them you lost.
Yeah.
I made money in every single one of them.
Yeah, we are 100%.
Like, so when you're saying, oh yeah, well this guy got a high win ratio, you're doing like 2 hours. I'm like, but we back it up. We're not doing this on our own. We are not showing our results. We're doing this with people.
And my 2R today.
Right, I've got to take partials there because your stop loss is way too wide.
Who?
Yours.
No, it's going to punch. It's going to go too hard. Don't worry about it.
No, I'm taking partials, mate. No, you're part.
It's going to. As soon as you take partials, that's going to fly.
Right. Okay. So everybody listening, let me just gonna put my screen on because Mogwai's stop loss is way too wide. Let me put mine on. Jamie's screen. Where's my screen? Jamie's screen. I got to turn Mogwai's screen off. Okay. So this is mine. Okay. See, my stop loss would have been more here. 4 pips. So,
Mine's 6.
yeah, so probably I'll take partials. I'll take partials there. That's my partial there. But when I go back, when I look at yours, let me put yours back on.
Yeah.
There we go. Turn one off. Jamie's webcam. No. Jamie's screen. Where's that? There you go. See, I can only see your screen in here. And you can consistently see my screen.
I've not took one. We have. This is the funny thing, right? With the Mogwai out, right?
Yeah.
We've done this whole 3.5 hours, yeah. Not one of us has took the same trade. Oh, apart from now.
Yeah.
We have not copied
the same trade.
No.
Well, I copied Mark and ended up get backfire and lost a load of money. And then I managed to hold it and.
But the point is, we're not sitting here copying each other.
No, that's it.
I've got my plan. You've got your plan.
Yeah, well, that's it. It's more about that.
We're both trading the same thing.
Yeah. That's it.
Right, who's
the blue?
blue
can you any discount, Jamie? I want to purchase. Well, purchase it. I can't offer any discount because you have free training, support, updates for life. Hey up. GU is flying.
Who?
I said GU's flying up, man.
Yeah, Jemmy. Do you remember you said you saw Jemmy out?
Yeah, I can't. Honestly, I can't.
The girl.
Jemmy. I don't know.
Jimmy. The only female trader that wants a discount, so we sort her out.
Yeah, I'll sort her out.
Yeah. That's what they're asking about. Can you any discount?
Oh, discount Jamie. Yeah, obviously I will. Yeah, send me an email and I will. But obviously I can't discount everyone, only if you're a female. And I'm not being sexist there, I'm just saying. Like it's just the trading is very male orientated and it's good to get females in this industry. 100%.
I think it's not Jemmy, it's Jonah.
I think with 1,000,000%, like females make a massive. I know, mate. It's flying up, mate.
Have a word.
I'm taking partials here, mate.
Stop with your partials. Let it run. No one takes partials.
Right, do I take Right, let me just put it out there. Everybody watching. Do we take partials or do we not? Let me ask you a question. So you can see my screen, which Mogwai can see behind me. Can anybody else? What are your thoughts? Do we take partials or do we not?
Come on, hold it. Let's hold it.
I'm not holding that.
What do you mean you're not holding it? It's a brilliant trade.
Is it? What's he said?
You are still in the waiting room. Oh my god, look at GU. It's amazing.
Oh mate, GU's hit my TP.
Yeah, who wants to take partials when you've got trades like these? Anyway, Brian, don't worry. I'll sort you out. It's all good. You're still in my list. Don't panic.
Was he want a 1-to-1?
He asked for a 1-to-1 about 3 years ago. And I was like, yeah, I'll put you in and he's in a 1-to-1 room. And I just didn't remove him from the room. Jesus, how is this winning? Well,
what's his name?
All
Brian.
honesty, I thought this was going to lose. That's a joke.
Yeah, what are you asking Mogwai for a 1-to-1 for? I beat him every time on a live stream.
You wish.
Okay, listen, I'll put it like this. You want second place, go to Mogwai. You want first place, come to me.
You want the strategy creator?
Hey mate, I've just hit TP. I've hit TP. Ah! I've hit TP. Thanks, Mogwai. Respect, bro. Thanks for that.
Yes, sir.
Wait, come here. Thanks,
Boom.
bro.
Blow that up.
I've hit TP, bro. I've hit TP, man. Mogwai's going places, man. He's winning trades.
Let's go, Mogwai. If you could only trade one setup for the rest of your life, what would it be and why?
Right, I'm closing that trade off.
You got to answer that one.
It's £4, isn't it? Hold on.
4 quid.
I'm on a bloody funded account. I can't go any bigger lot size. There you go. I'm out. I am out of that. Done. Thank you very much. And then on my live account, it is. Fuck all, 50 quid. Actually, I'll leave one open. Done. Thank you very much, Mogwai. I appreciate the win. I appreciate the win. What's everybody else saying? SL to break even, then hold to partials. No, but move SL. I already took partials. What is the one type of market or news event that completely breaks your strategy, and what is your plan for when that happens? NFP. Don't trade NFP.
Non-farm payroll.
Any news event, like major news events, any strategy gets failed. And the reason being is because when there's news about, it is more driven by economics. So like strategies, price action, it goes out the window. You know, it's like if Trump says something, what happens? Boom. It doesn't matter what you price action or strategy you got. If Trump says the whatever, then it's pointless. So any new major news events, I wouldn't say minors okay, but major definitely avoid 100%. It's not worth it. You're just chasing losses there. If you could only trade one setup for the rest of your life, which setup would it be and why?
Mine would be
interesting question.
For long-term profit. Mogwai second pullback.
I created that.
I know you did.
I created that.
I'm not taking it away from you. I'm just saying that's what mine would be.
Yeah, mine.
Blue alerts are good, but
yeah. Mine would be gold. Definitely, I want gold because gold makes good money.
Yeah.
And I would agree with you on second pullback. I think Mogwai reversal, second pullback on gold is, I would say that's all we need. Like literally, it's all we need. But it's gold's a love and hate relationship. You know, if you get it wrong, you fuck up and it loses money. You get it right, and you make a lot of money. It's about, you know, because gold moves fast, very fast. So I would say gold, Mogwai reversal, second pullback. If you could please explain how to take a blue alert manually. I do have BinaryDestroyer, but not alerts. I can do that. I definitely can do that. That's my job. Right, anyway. So let's jump on my screen. Here. Get rid of Mogwai. Okay, so blue alert. So obviously, okay, so you have to remember one thing. When you trade in blue alerts,
it's a game of probability.
Blue alerts isn't necessarily mean winning. It doesn't mean win. You know, you're going to win a load of money. It just means like blue alert is just a Mogwai reversal setup. So when you see on my screen in front of me, we have a green alert. Right, the green alert isn't any better than the blue, and the blue is not any better than the green. It's just the green's better because it has structure, and it's kind of like with the trend. It's the same with the blue, right? The only difference is the blue has like the higher time frame in your favor, and what we have realized that if you are trading, are you out of all these trades on GU?
I'm on GU.
Hold on, let me just check my GU trades because you're holding yours and I am.
Partials.
I'm still in it on my live account, but that's fuck all. And my funded account, I'm out, mate.
That's my live.
Yeah, I'm completely out. Look, I'm out.
Yeah, but they don't count. You can't use that account.
Oh, that's what I'm saying.
I'm not using my
out.
100k. You can't use yours. It's cheap.
I'm out. But yeah, so blue alert. Again, it's probability. That's all trading is. It's just probability. It's about. Oh bloody hell, man! We've been on this. It's nearly 7 o'clock.
Oh shit. We've got to go out for dinner, yeah?
Yeah. What we're doing? 15 minutes, yeah. No, finish 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. Done.
Yeah. So just bear in mind, everyone. 7 o'clock. We are done.
We've got to go out for dinner, darling.
Because we are hungry and
We've
we
got
are
to spend all the money
thirsty.
we made. Let's have it.
Yeah. If your goal was to grow accounts, would you still take partials? Yes. And you know why? Because what is partials? It's taking profit out of a trade. And what does profit mean? It means growing accounts. Simple. Right? If you're not winning trades and you're not taking money out of a trade, you're not growing accounts. It's plain and simple. Right? That is literally it. Right? Trading is taking profit and winning trades. So partials is 100% important. 100%.
Unless you trade like the Mogwai.
Unless trade like Mogwai, yeah.
Which is soft partials. 2R. Bag that money.
Bag the money.
Bam.
Yeah.
One trade. One challenge.
Off you go.
Winner. Euro CAD. I mean, this guy's been banging on about Euro CAD for ages. And to be fair, it's not a bad setup. Look at Euro CAD.
I can't see us to come out. All I can see is
Yeah, Euro CAD ain't bad. You have to wait for the pullback, which won't be tonight.
no. If a market was a person, how would you describe your relationship status? What a question, man. My God, this guy's on it, man.
He's that king, isn't he?
Yeah, it's King's guy, mate. This
King,
guy's
he's
on
won.
it. I've got you down, man. You've got to win it. You have to win it.
He's won it. in my
I think he
opinion.
has won it, yeah. If the market was a person... By the way, send me an email, Kingsley, and I'll send you
We got
I'll buy a
Kingsley
prop firm.
and Lisbon.
Yeah, but he hasn't really said much. Mini, I've got Mini 02, but he's not said much.
No, the other girl.
If the market was a person, how would you describe your relationship status? I hate it. I hate it. I like, do you know what I mean? Like, it's just like, urgh.
Who's that?
It's like I want to hate it, but at the same time, I love it. I've got I've got a blue alert on, well, blue alert, but you use just.
I've got gold.
There you go.
Buy.
Come on.
Gold buy. I can't do it.
I'm out. I'm done for the day. I'm done, man. I can't trade anymore.
You hit the wall.
I might hit the wall. Hey up, GU's flying
What's
up,
GU's
mate.
flying? Let's go.
That's flying up, mate.
Go on, GU. Right, someone said, I saw one of your videos where you passed the prop firm. Can I just stick to 1 to 2 RR without minding price action with blue alerts? I don't know about that one.
Yes, as long as you stick to what we're doing. That's all I would say.
What's that one currency?
Well, like GU or London Open or gold. Like, don't try and take every currency pair.
Yeah, if you take UJ, then GU, then USD CAD, all blue and then lose and lose and lose, you'll get eaten alive. Stick to GU or gold or whatever pair you want and play the probability game. The probability game meaning you stick to one pair and you lose, the next one probability will win.
Yeah.
End of.
Mm-hmm.
Like yours is gold, mine's GU.
Mm-hmm.
Both bag a shit ton of money. Look at GU now. Absolutely. See, I don't need partials.
Yeah.
I just let the fucker run.
Yeah, I
TV.
agree. You take partials or not?
No,
Just left it.
I fucking left it. Let's have a look. See how much I'm up. Banking that money. Oh, I don't want to see it. Oh, so much money. Oh, just call it a day. Just call it a day. I'm up 4% today. 2 trades. I mean, that ain't it for TP, but it will do.
Yeah, what am I on, man? Let me just think about this. He's wigging me out, man. You're the only person that puts me on my edge. Like, I feel like you're sitting on my tiptoes, and I'm like, God, this guy's...
Mate, you can't beat the knob right. Come on.
No,
It's just never going to happen.
I know. You're good, man.
Super chill. Let fuckers run.
Yeah, I agree with you, man. I don't disagree. That's
No,
why I took partials.
Yeah, but the way you trade with partials is good for psychology. For the other lot.
Yeah.
You can't handle drawdown.
I was going to ask a question. Jamie, in the group, who is trading futures and what time frame and time would they say the best? Okay, so most of our traders that trade futures are trading from America. So like the American traders, and they'll trade New York Open. Okay? And we do have a lot of, I would say the majority of our traders, of our members, are from America. That's fact. Right? Majority of our members are from America. Most of them will trade futures because it's more easier, there's no spreads, etc. But in the UK and Europe, we're not really future based, right? We're not into futures. We're more currency pairs, forex. America tends to be more futures, index, NAS, DAX, NAS, stuff like that, US 30s, 500s. But we have a lot of, like I said, we have a lot of traders from America that trade New York Open. I don't really post about it because I'm not on the charts during that time. But yeah. Yo, Jamie, time for casino. It's funny you say that. I'm going casino after this.
You're not allowed.
Have emailed you. Use email. No worries. Thank you. You're getting a free prop firm account. King Cincy. The questions you've asked tonight, you deserve it.
Yeah.
I thought you ended the stream. No.
You can normally tell that when we say goodbye.
Well, yeah. When we disappear. We can't say goodbye if we disappear.
Right, so I'm going to do break even.
He just said he was going to take partials.
Oh.
You. You said you're going to hold for a 1 to 2. And now you're for pussy. You know what we need? We need a proper setup in here. We need an actual studio, and you and me just sit there and just have a trading session, and everyone joins in.
Yeah, just like table tennis.
Yeah, like table tennis. That's just what it's like.
Easy enough answer.
Fine,
0.5%.
Hold on, mate. Can I ask how much percentage of a prop firm would you risk per trade? Okay, so that's an interesting one.
Mine's 0.5%.
You want to risk what the drawdown limit is, right? So you can have 100 grand, you get 5 grand, 100, whatever, right? It's what the drawdown limit is. So for me, I have, on my London Open, I have, oh shit, I don't know what that is. What is that count?
Yeah, but it doesn't
5.
matter. If you do 0.5%
Yeah.
every trade, regardless of the size, it normally works out you got 8 trades to blow the day account. So 0.5% will give you 16 trades before you fuck it up.
Yes, but I work it out on my drawdown limit. So on the 5 grand, it's a £400. So I can't on a 5 grand account, right? £400 drawdown limit. So you can't risk 1% of the 5 grand. You're risking 1% of the 400 quid.
Of your daily drawdown, not the end.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. It's not 1% of the whole account. My question to Jamie and Michael: if you had to start all over again, what's one daily habit or routine you'd focus on before even opening the charts?
For me, I don't trade until after 8 a.m. for a start.
Okay.
So I'll wait. 8 till 10 is the golden time. I would say phone away, kids sorted out, whatever's in your life causing you distraction,
Yeah.
get rid of it. It's done. If you can't do that in the morning, do New York Open, 1:30. That is the golden time. 1:30. See how the charts play out, 2 o'clock till 3, 4 o'clock. But the point is, it's just literally keep going, as in clear everything. The more you want the money, the more you need the money, the worse your trading will get.
Yeah.
The busier your life, the more you want to get out of your job, the worse your trading will get.
Yeah, I agree.
Trading is an escape in the long term, not short term. Just concentrate on your job, get money at work, go to trading as a backup. Then the backup becomes the plan. That's important. Don't try and get out your job as quick as you can. Let trading make you realise the job is now a waste of time, and trading will take over.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, I agree with that. 100%. Those good facts.
And someone said, do
facts.
what's the most amount of money you've made in a day? Me personally was 3 grand, 2 grand, 2 to 3
Oh,
grand.
fucking hell, we're not on the same table then, are we?
No.
I might. I think about 50 something odd.
Okay, let's answer this one.
Yeah, 50
What's
odd.
your biggest daily loss?
Biggest loss? 30 grand.
Yeah, so mine is 1,000.
Yeah, I hated that, mate.
In
suffered.
percentages, it's the same.
I suffered mentally with that, mate. And it was one of those days where I was like, I was out in London, I was having a good time with Ruth, and I took that massive loss, and Ruth was like, oh, what's up? And I'm like,
it just destroys your mood.
just don't talk to me. I just don't want to. I want to be left alone.
You just want to.
And it's trying to. How do I have that conversation? I've just lost 30 grand.
I know.
I've just lost. She's like, you haven't done it. You just left the, the cinema, the pantomime, to go to a bar. I'm like, yeah, I'm just not feeling it. I just want to go home.
Yeah, so
I'm
your
done.
50k,
I'm just done.
your 30k is the same as my 3k and 1k.
Yeah,
It's different levels.
that was tough.
That's shit.
It was shit, mate, but it's what it is, isn't it? You got to accept it. And then I'm kind of, yeah, it's difficult, mate. It's a battle, innit? You're never mentally prepared for that.
That loss.
I mean, imagine losing 100 grand or 200 grand or 300 grand or 400 grand.
Yeah.
You know, and people go, oh, but you make the money. It's like, okay, yeah, I might have made £1 million or whatever, but I've just lost 200 grand.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? That doesn't just absorb. Like, I still got to go through that psychology of, fuck, I've just lost that on a trade.
I'll tell you what, when I was trading at the start, the one thing I promised myself was, no matter how bad of a day I've had, I won't take it out on the kids.
Yeah, I have that roof. I said, listen, what stays out there, but in bed, it's different.
Like my kids would be like, Dad, I'd be like, go away, bloody, what's wrong with you? Then I'm like, oh my God, I'm literally taking my trading out on the kids.
Yeah.
And that first day I did it, I've never done it again. I managed to find that switch to go from, I've finished trading,
Yeah.
it was a bad day, now I'm going to go and be a dad. That's it.
Yeah, it's difficult. I mean, I suffer a lot with that, mate. You know, I still do. I don't think I get it right. It is tough, mate. Trading's tough. Like, it really is tough. It's a mental, and nobody else understands it. Like, you have this conversation with your closest wife and friends, and they still won't understand.
The pain.
Like, I've had a really good day. I've had a bad day. And sometimes you sit there and you think, you know what, I've just sat here right now having a beer with you and I made like 4 grand. And I'm like, what am I supposed to do? Jump up and down excited? You know, like you know what I mean? It's like, and then some days I'll go to the bar and I'll have my mates. And I'm like, shit, I'll just toss a grand.
Yeah.
And people they can't relate to it, but that's trading. I remember, you know Simon, didn't you? Ended up getting arrested, that guy. And I watched him because he used to be an institutional trader, and I was having a drinking out of him in London, and he just took a trade in front of me. He's like, and this guy managed pensions for hedge fund.
With him for a while.
Yeah, he managed pensions for hedge fund, and he just took a trade, like at 8 o'clock at night, and I went, "Is that what you do?" He's like, "Is that hedge fund? Is that what you do? You just take a trade at this time, like dumb." And he took the trade, and that was it. And I'm like, you do realise you're taking it, your GU's double top.
Someone said, "Have you two thought about doing a podcast?"
We are doing a podcast.
Oh,
we do want to do a podcast. Yeah, we do want to set one up.
1 year.
We'll set one up. Jamie is sleeping. Jamie, if you want.
Half drunk.
Half drunk? I am drunk.
Oh, you are drunk.
I said that the other day. I said, how can you get half drunk?
I'm not stopped out yet. I'm still aiming.
Do you ever notice that your mood or mindset affects how? Yes, it does, 100%.
What's that?
Your mindset and mood. Yeah,
bad.
absolutely. Trading, yeah.
There's days where I've had COVID. There's days where my best friend died, and I went on the charts, and I lost so much money. Because if your mindset is not in it, you just crash and burn. Simple. So if you're having a bad time of it, just don't trade. If you've got a cold, don't trade. If you're having a Barney with your boss, if you've got one, don't trade. It's just bad. Bad.
No, it's bad, mate. It is bad.
It is bad. It's proper bad.
Right, we're shooting off.
Yeah, we're going for dinner, darling.
Yes. You got a restaurant we can go to.
Now I'm going to use Google.
Right, we are disappearing, everyone.
Cheers, everybody.
I hope you enjoyed tonight's session. We're going to disappear. I will catch up with you all. What day is it today? Thursday?
Yeah, tomorrow morning.
No, it's Wednesday, isn't it? I'll catch up with you all tomorrow. If you're a BD member,